is coming back for more. Level gets retested, volume starts to build. Freckle lines up clean, you know the setup's filled. Discipline and patience, that's the SFX way. Double break, put money in my account today. The double break is back, back, woo! Said the double break is back, back, back. A black shirt club already knew it. Watch how Austin do it. The double break is back, 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 back. Now when the price breaks once, you wait. When it comes back to test, you wait. When it breaks, what now? That's the double break and it's back. Austin showed us how, yeah. BFC been knowing, yeah. Don't you ever doubt it now. The setup never stops working. Hit me! Wow! Hit me! Oh! I said the double break! Double break! Take it to the bridge! Double break! One more time now! Double break! It's back! Stay on the one! Woo! Black Shirt Club! Woo! SFX! Somebody tell Austin thank you! The double break is back! Said the double break is back! Back! A Black Shirt Club already knew it! Watch how Austin do it! The double break is back! Back! Take it down now! Just the bass. Double break. Always coming back. SFX. Shout out Randy. Hey, JB James, Bruce. Evan Dye on the screens. Let's go SFX. Let's go Austin. Black Shirt Club. We up. She the only line I need on my chart. She tell me where to enter. She tell me when to start. Black Shirt Club. We only trade with a plan. Ash Flex. Black Shirt Club. Discipline, patience, execution. We above New York. Stay long. Let's go. Rolled out of bed at 6 a.m. with coffee going cold. Pulled on my platform like I do, did what I was told. Waited on the setup, let the weekends make their move. By 9:15, I was already locked into the groove. One clean trade, I tipped my hat and shut the laptop down. Notification hit my phone before I left for town. Boys been laughing at me trading micros from my drive. Wait till they see what just landed in my account at 5. Mama said, boy, what are you doing on the screen all day? Daddy said, son, and future's gonna blow your cash away. Well, I kept my rules tight, kept my head down, kept the faith. And tonight the whole damn county's gonna hear what I made. Funded and free, yeah, I told you so. Truck running loud down the county road. Play out hits, boys, the drinks are on me. Funded and free, funded and free. He said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud. And I'm living it loud. Yeah, pulled up to the bonfire with a grin from ear to ear. Everybody asking why I'm smiling, nice together here. See, I've been up before the sunrise while you're hitting snooze, learning how to lose right, so I know how not to lose. Black shirt club, been in my corner since the very start. VWAP on my chart and discipline locked in my heart. 3 trays daily, walk away, protect what you built up. In and out, we're pouring every drop into this cup. They said the market's rigged, said the house always wins, said retail traders lose it all, so don't you dare begin. Well, somebody forgot to tell my account that little tale, cause the payout just came through and boys, it's off the rails. Funded and free, yeah, so. Truck running loud down a county road. Payout hit, boys, the drinks are on me. Funded and free, funded and free. They said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud. You know what's funny? The same people who told me to quit are the first ones texting asking how I did it. I don't even answer anymore. I just sent them a screenshot and let the numbers do the talking. Yeah, that's right. It ain't about the money, well, it's a little about the money, but it's more about the morning that I proved it to myself. Sitting at the kitchen table while the family's still sleeping, building something real instead of leaving it on the shelf. Why believe in me when the account was underwater? Kids don't know the details, but they know that daddy tried. And now we're all together at this bonfire in the backyard, and I finally feel the weight lift off my chest with pride. Funded and free,
yeah, I told you so. Truck running loud down a county road. Hey, out hit, boys, the drinks are on me.
Funded and free, funded and free. They said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud.
Funded and free.
Told you so. 3 accounts deep, and we're just getting started.
Funded and free.
What is that? Randy. What is that candle? What is that candle? What is that candle? Trump tweet hit the wire at 9:15. Every algo on the planet lost its mind. 150 points in a single candle wick. Randy saw it coming, said it real quick. Austin zoomed the chart to show the whole room. Biggest single candle drop like a sonic boom. Chat went crazy, Discord lost his mind. Never seen the candle of that particular kind. Randy on the mic couldn't hold it back. They saw that candle rise and everything went black. Called it what it was with a grin on his face. Biggest boner candle in the marketplace. Boner candle, boner candle. What you gonna do? When it comes for you? Boner candle, Trump news and the market just blew right through. 150 points and Randy already knew. Boner candle. seriously strange. Bulls and bears got flattened in a single blow. Randy named the candle and he stole the show. Austin speechless, staring at the 1 minute candle so tall there was nothing left in it. BSC went nuclear all over the feed. Boner candle energy is all that we need. Randy on the mic couldn't hold it back. Saw that candle rise and everything went black. Called it what it was with a grin on his face. Biggest boner candle in the marketplace. Oh, boner candle, boner candle. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when it comes for you? Boner candle. Trump news in the market just blew right through 150 points and Randy already knew. Fuck it, boner candle. They got earnings season, they got Fed Day too. They got CPI reports and Jackson Hole reviews, but nothing hits the chart like a Trump tweet at 9. Randy's got a name for it, and brother, it ain't kind. It ain't the news that moves it. It's the candle that it leaves behind. Funded account trader, seen it all before. Double break the VWAP, the fractal and more, but nothing stops the stream like a 150 rip. Randy grabs the mic and lets the name slip. Austin tries to explain it on the chart, real cool. Can't explain a boner candle using normal tools. Black shirt club will tell you when you ask them why. Sometimes the market just points straight at the sky. Boner candle. Oh, boner candle. What you gonna do when it comes for you? Boner candle. Boner candle. Trump news in the market just blew right through 150 points and Randy already knew. Boner candle. Randy called it. Can't uncall it. Black shirt club. Never forget. The boner candle of 2025. Hey! Hey! I got calluses from hands that used to shoe a hole. Now they're wrapped around a mouth, still walking the same course. And Daddy never taught me options, taught me how to bleed in me. So some wound don't heal unless you go back in again. 6 acres and a farmhouse older than my grandpa's name. The wife's got more faith in me than I've got in this game. I've took the losses like a gut shot, watched the good ones run. Learned the hardest lessons come from stops I shouldn't have run. So I draw it back like a broadhead aimed at heaven. Every red day is just a lesson, every green day's redemption. I ain't chasing money, I'm chasing who I could become. Somewhere between the timber and the setting sun. And the setting sun. I bled for this country, came home and bled some more. I learned the mark is just another silent, honest war. No parade for profit payouts, no medal for the pain. Just a daddy at his kid's game, instead of drowning in the rain. They don't see the nights I sat here, staring at the screen, praying for a green print like it's the only thing between who I was and who I'm trying hard to be. Ain't about the money, it's about being free. So I draw it back like a broadhead in heaven. Every scar's a story, every setback's a lesson. I ain't chasing money, I'm chasing who I could become. Somewhere between the timber and the setting sun. Discipline's my scripture, patience is my This is how it's done. Let's go to full draw. Sun up on the screen, coffee gon' cold. Black and red candles telling me no. I watch that line like a shoreline move. If price holds there, I make my move. One clean entry, then I stay still. No chasing candles, no blind thrill. Wait for the pullback, let it come to me. Hold that line, then I breathe. VWAP, it's the line I trust. VWAP, when it clean and dust. VWAP, I don't need a gas. VWAP, that's my edge, my test. Fast hands, calm eyes, I seen the trap. Breakout talks loud and it snaps back. I cut small loss, take the bad aside. Let the runners run, let the weak ones die. SFX in my head, keep the rules on lock. No tilt, no panic, just one more shot. Wait for the pullback, let it come to me. Hold that line and I breathe. VWAP, that's the line I trust. VWAP, when it clean and dust. VWAP, I don't need a gas. VWAP, that's my edge, my test. Wrong silence, pay that fee. Now I trade what I see. No loud mouth, no hero play. Just take the setup, and walk away. That's the line I trust. VWAP, when it clean and dust. VWAP, I don't need a gas. VWAP, that's my edge, my test. Locked in, calm, focused and tight. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Setting up the level, watching how it's played. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Patience is the age, that's the truth I'm saying. VWAP rolling, pull back, calling my name. Inside bar telling me the range is the same. 2 losses, I'm done, no revenge in the game. Discipline and patience, that's the way to the flame. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. 5 lots tight, that's the line I'm holding. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. 3 shots a day, no room for folding. Payouts coming like the tide. Stack it firm and let the structure be my guide. Quiet mind, breathe and let it ride. Discipline, patience, execution, that's my pride. Red candle, green candle, don't mean nothing. Stick to the system, let the data sing. No fear, no greed, just the plan and the play. Same 5 rules I'm living by today. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Charts said, the double break is back. Like he said to do. 1 minute candle closed, and I knew it was true. I pulled the trigger clean, didn't flinch, didn't stray. A double break set up, paid again today. The double break is back, back. Oh, said the double break is back, back. A black shirt club already knew it. Watch how Austin do it. The double break is back. See the weak hands bail when the first break fails. They think it's done, they gone. They off the rails, but the BSC stays locked. We've seen this before. Double break means price is coming back for more. Level gets retested, volume starts to build. Freckle lines up clean, you know the setup's filled. Discipline and patience, that's the SFX way. Double break put money in my account today. The double break is back, back. Woo! Said the double break is back, back, back. A black shirt club already knew it. Watch how Austin do it. The double break is back, 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 back. Now when the price breaks once, you wait. When it comes back to test, you wait. When it breaks, what now? That's the double break and it's back. Austin showed us how, yeah. BSC been knowing, yeah. Don't you ever doubt it now. The setup never stops working. Hit me! Wow! Hit it! Oh! I said the double break! Double break! Take it to the bridge! Double break! One more time now! Double break is back! Down the one! Woo! Black shirt club! Woo! SFX! Somebody tell Austin thank you! The double break is back! Said the double break is back! A black shirt club already knew it. Watch how Austin do it. The double break is back, 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 back. Take it down now. Just the bass. Double break. Always coming back. SFX. Woke up on the couch with my boots still on. Phone on my chest, 3% gone. Chased a red candle like a dog chases cars. Caught it with my teeth, now I'm wearing the scars. Coffee's cold, price colder. Margin call sitting like a chip on my shoulder. Told my wife it was one more trade. That was 5 trades back and a paycheck ago, babe. Cause a man don't learn when the winning comes easy. He learns in the dirt where it's ugly and greasy. I slept on the charts, there. When Grandpa broke horses, never broke his words. The son of wild ones only hear what they want to hear. I was a wild one clicking that mouse, betting the barn to win back the house. Ain't no different than a bar fight friend, swinging at a ghost you can't ever pin. The screen don't bleed, but brother, you will if you trade your plan for a cheap shot thrill. Cause a man don't learn when the winning comes easy. He learns in the dirt where it's ugly and greasy. I slept on the charts last night, blew it all up in the red screen light. Revenge don't pay, but Lord I tried. Bought the top and I bought the light. Yeah, the market don't care about your broken heart. It'll take your last dime in the dark. If you ain't got rules, you ain't got a prayer. So I slept on the charts last night and I woke up there. Two losses, I walk away. 3 trades, it's all I take. 5 micros, now 1 more. That's the lock I put on that door. Cause discipline ain't a cage, it's a key. And the man in the mirror was robbing me. So I burned that version of me to the ground. Built a plan out of ashes, nailed it down. Now the red days come and the red days go, but they don't own me anymore. Let's go! One night, woke up humbled in the morning light. Revenge don't pay, now I know why. The plan's the truth and the till's the lie. Cause the market don't care, so I gotta care more. Guard my stops like I guard my door. Got rules on the wall and a debt-free prayer. I slept on the charts one night, but I don't live there. I don't live there no more. They said the market was against us. We said, nah, we got the VWAP. It's astronomical. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Track the opening range like a whole drug lord. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Double break confirm and I add to the horde. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. 5 minis heavy, that's my whole bankroll cord. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. We eating off 1 cord. Opening range set up like a block. Control. Bears pushed it under, tried to swallow it whole. VWAP reclaim like Prada moving on a stroll. Double break the top side, now we deep in the road. I move the minis like I'm moving them packs. Opening range high broke, no looking back. New York VWAP my corner, that's my turf on the map. Weak hands got shook, they ain't never coming back. Plugged into the supply before the sun came up. Every morning opening range fills my cup. First break fake out, got the ops asking what. Second break confirmed and I'm touching up. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Trap the opening range like a whole drug lord. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Double break confirm and I add to the horde. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. 5 minis heavy, that's my whole bankroll cord. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. We eating off 1 cord. She said, how you always calm at the bell? I said, baby, I've been studying this opening range spell. New York, VWAP, my religion, I know it well. Double break my sermon, gotta start, read the tell. It's astronomical the way this thing set up. Opening range, low broke, everybody fed up. VWAP like a corner boy, it never gave up. Reclaim the line and now the top side getting towed up. Perched up in the platform like I'm posted on the block. 9:30 to 10 o'clock, I own this whole clock. 5 minis deployed like I'm running the flock. Paid before breakfast and I dead both alive. Opening
Opening range is the territory. B-do-app is the connect. Double break is the lick. The system is the architect. They trap the block, I trap the chart. Same discipline, different art. Patience on the corner, patience at the open. Either way, you wait or leave broken. I don't move unless the V-WAP say move. I don't size up unless I'm deep in the groove. Opening range, high or low, that's the only two. Double break my confirmation, that's the code I use. They out here shooting blind, I'm picking off a snipe. Opening range, bombs up and I wait for it to ripen. New York V-WAP, the signal when the time is getting right. In 5 minutes, trigger pull when everything's aligning. Paper for breakfast every morning, it's a ritual. Opening range, double break, nothing is coincidental. System built for this and everything is subliminal. We the squad and everything is criminal. Beware. Opening range. Double break. It's astronomical. We already ate.
Yeah. They don't know nothing about this. Caught on the charts. The other charts. Woo! I'm up at 6 a.m. I'm up at 6 a.m. Pre-market looking clean. Sharpest dress trader that the pop firm ever seen. V-WAP like a river and I'm fishing in the bin. Drew my level perfect, now I'm waiting for the trend. Micro E meaning I don't play with the big dogs yet, but I'm stacking up the payouts on the funded account set. 3 months in the challenge like a prison doing time. 1 green day away from touching freedom on a dime. Then this phone go off like a grenade in the quiet room. True social notifications spell my account's doomed. Straight up horn moves, general, something about a deal. NQ fell 100 points before my mind could feel. True social, stop loss. I didn't see it coming. Chart said bye, but his thumbs had me running. P&L bleeding red like something out of horror film. True social, stop loss. And they say the market's real. I am not a trader, I am a trading experience. That's the prop firm risk, that's about my level of persistence. Discipline, patience, execution, that's the trinity. But ain't no candle pattern for presidentialicity. I study price action like a preacher study scripture. Every morning pour the chart and paint a perfect picture. Support and resistance, I can teach it in my sleep. Then one post about terror in my account, 6 feet deep. Real talk, I had to set above a century. NQ at value, trend was elementary. Finger on the mouse like I'm about to change my life. Then the commander-in-chief went and brought a knife. True social, stop loss. I didn't see it coming. Chart said bye, but his thumbs had me running. P&L bleeding red like something out of horror film. True social, stop loss. And they say the market's real. I've been staring at these candles since the early morning. I was back, tested every setup, calculated all the powers. Taught me more about patience than a Bloomberg terminal. But patience don't mean nothing when the news is terminal. They say the market prices and all available information. Nobody priced in 3 a.m. True social notifications. I am the best trader that you never heard of yet. Give me back my funded account and watch me not forget. Reset the account like Wayne reset the mixtape game. Light it up tomorrow, yeah, the setup look the same. 1 eye on the chart and 1 eye on the feed. Cause in this Trump market, information gonna lead. Yeah, true social, stop loss. They don't put that in the curriculum. Discipline, patience, execution, and pray you don't post. Wheezy. We lost one today, BSC. Austin's double break long. She held us down for so long, man. Pour one out. Yeah. Yeah. It's been a long day without you, my friend. She held the line through every NY trend. Thought you area high, she never let us down. Double break,
confirm we never used to frown. Austin called it clean, structure looks so right. But the market took her home last night. I'll tell you all about it when we see you again. Double break long, we gon' see you again. Deep rap held tight, but she faded in the end. We gon' see you again. We gon' see you again. She filled our orders, gave us pay our days. Ran through value area in the most beautiful ways. Randy watched the charts, JB had the screen. BSC was crying, you know what I mean. Austin kept his cool, took the loss like a pro. But deep in the chat, everybody know SFX lost a homie today. Double break long, just faded away. She gave us everything, every single run. Now the market closed and the damage is done. Rest easy setup. You would've won. She was consistent, man. She was always there. Double break long, gone, but never forgotten. BSC.
Shout out Austin Silver. Black Shirt Club. Ass and fix. Watch the range. Watch the view out. Let's go. Double break. Double break. Price drop below and then it came back straight. Double break. Double break. View out in the middle. That's the Golden Gate. Let's go. Double break. Double break. 5 minutes heavy. Yeah, we let's go. Double break, double break. Asset fix, Black Shirt Club. We already ate. Yeah, 15-minute rain set up at the bell. Best pushed it on the trying to send it to hell. We can't fold it, stop that, they fell. Austin just smile cause he know the spell. Price reclaim the VWAP like it always do. Now the top of the ring just coming in the view. Break that ceiling, confirmation true. 5 minutes loaded, bro, you already knew. Or low got broke, that's the first trap set. Shook the loans out, got them soaking wet. VWAP reclaim, that's your signal, yeah. Double break incoming, you can take that bet. Double break, double break. Price drop below and then it came back straight. Double break, double break, double break, double break. VWAP in the middle, that's the Golden Gate. Double break, double break. 5 minutes heavy, yeah, we let it wait. Double break, double break, double break, double break. Asset fix, Black Shirt Club, we already ate. He don't trade scale, he don't trade small. 2 to 5 minutes when he gets the call. Most people watching, he's already in the hall, taking what the market gives. That's all. First break fake out, shift the Ricky's out. Second break top side, that's when he spout. No hesitation when the signal's loud. Austin in the chat in the BSC crowd, they said the range broke, it's bearish now. He said, nah, watch the VWAP, show you how. Reclaim, confirm, he's sizing up right now. Double break activated, take the bow. First break takes you out if you weak. Second break pays out if you see. VWAP is the pivot every week. Trust the system, trust the technique. Bears got trapped on the bottom side. Bulls took over on the VWAP ride. Broke the top and let the runners fly. Austin Silver, don't ask questions why. Double break, price drop below and then it came back straight. Double break, double break, double break, double break. VWAP in the middle, that's the Golden Gate. Double break, double break, double break, double break. 5 minutes heavy, yeah, we let it wait. Double break, double break, double break, double break. SFX, Black Shirt Club, we already ate. I've been studying the range since the RTH open. VWAP my compass when the market's broken. Every double break a brand new token. BSC the cool and Austin Silver spoken. They out here guessing, I'm out here knowing. VWAP above New York, the money flowing. 2 to 5 minis in the accounts growing. Black Shirt Club, you already know where I'm going. Reclaim the line and we break the top. Bears exhausted, we ain't gonna stop. Double break set up at the peak and drop. SFX, living and we never flop. SFX, Black Shirt Club. Double break. Trust the VWAP. Austin Silver built it. Discipline, patience, execution. Let's go. Let's go.
Friday 4 o'clock, the candles all went dark. Closed my last position, now there's nothing on the charts. Everybody's headed down a dirt road, cooler in the bed. I'm sitting on the porch with the dime stuck in my head. They're chasing Friday night neon lights, man, I'm chasing the bell. 2 days of quiet is a special kind of hell. We'll be back on Monday, back on Monday. Weekends move too slow when the tape don't play. No ticks, no feels, no P&L. 48 hours stuck in sideways hell. Hate the weekend, love the grind. Sunday can't come soon enough. This time we'll be back on Monday, back on Monday, back on Monday. Saturday I'm journaling trays I already took. Back testing setups, reading my playbook. Wife says you're obsessing, yeah, she's probably right. But discipline don't take a day off, it just waits for the light. Black shirt in the closet like a jersey on the wall. 2 more sleeps till the opening call. We'll be back on Monday, back on Monday. Weekends move too slow and the tape don't play. No ticks, no feels, no P&L. 48 hours stuck in sideways hell. Hate the weekend, love the grind. Sunday can't come soon enough. This time we'll be back on Monday, back on Monday, back on Monday. Yeah. Sunday 6 o'clock, futures open up the door. Crack a cold one, watch them glow. Bakes, candles glow. Alarm set early, playing rolled out, clean rested. Hungry, dangerous, you know what I mean. Well, back on Monday, back on Monday. London through New York, let the levels play. Fresh week, fresh mind, same rules. Patience pays the ones who keep it cool. Hated the weekend, love the grind. Now the bell is ringing and the setup's mine. We're back on Monday, back on Monday. We're back on Monday. Back on Monday. See you at the open. Oh. Rolled out of bed at 6 a.m. with coffee going cold. Pulled on my platform like I do, did what I was told. Waited on the setup, let the weekends make their move. By 9:15, I was already locked into the groove. One clean trade, I tipped my hat and shut the laptop down. Notification hit my phone before I left for town. Boys been laughing at me, trading micros from my drive. Wait till they see what just landed in my account at 5. Mama said, boy, what are you doing on the screen all day? Daddy said, son, and future's gonna blow your cash away. Well, I kept my rules tight, kept my head down, kept the faith. And tonight the whole damn county's gonna hear what I made. Funded and free, yeah, I told you so. Truck running loud down the county road. Play out here, boys, the drinks are on me. Funded and free, funded and free. They said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 counts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud. And I'm living it loud. Yeah, pulled up to the bonfire with a grin from ear to ear. Everybody asking why I'm smiling, nice together here. See, I've been up before the sunrise while you're hitting snooze, learning how to lose right, so I know how not to lose. Black shirt, club, been in my corner since the very start. VWAP on my chart and discipline locked in my heart. 3 trays daily. walk away, protect what you built up. And tonight we're pouring every drop into this cup. They said the market's rigged, said the house always wins, said retail traders lose it all, so don't you dare begin. Well, somebody forgot to tell my account that little tale, cause the payout just came through and boys, it's off the rails. Funded and free, truck running loud down a county road. Payout hits, boys, the drinks are on me. Funded and free, funded and free. They said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud. You know what's funny? The same people who told me to quit are the first ones texting asking how I did it. I don't even answer anymore. I just sent them a screenshot and let the numbers do the talking. Yeah, that's right. It ain't about the money, well, it's a little about the money, but it's more about the morning that I proved it to myself. Sitting at the kitchen table while the family's still sleeping, building something real instead of leaving it on the shelf. Why believe in me when the account was underwater? Kids don't know the details, but they know that daddy tried. And now we're all together at this bonfire in the backyard, and I finally feel the weight lift off my chest with pride. Funded and free.
Yeah, I told you so. Truck running loud down a county road. Payout hit, boys, the drinks are on me.
Funded and free. Funded and free. They said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud.
Funded and free.
Told you so. 3 accounts deep, and we're just getting started.
Funded and free.
What is that? Randy. What is that candle? What is that candle? What is that candle? Trump tweet hit the wire at 9:15. Every algo on the planet lost its mind. 150 points in a single candle wick. Randy saw it coming, said it real quick. Austin zoomed the chart to show the whole room. Biggest single candle drop like a sonic boom. Chat went crazy, Discord lost his mind. Never seen the candle of that particular kind. Randy on the mic couldn't hold it back. They saw that candle rise and everything went black. Called it what it was with a grin on his face. Biggest boner candle in the marketplace. Boner candle, boner candle. What you gonna do? When it comes for you? Boner candle, Trump news and the market just blew right through. 150 points and Randy already knew. Boner candle, boner candle. Stocks got trigger top and bottom of the range. Prop firm accounts looking seriously strange. Bulls and bears got flattened in a single blow. Randy named the candle and he stole the show. Austin speechless, staring at the 1 minute candle so tall there was nothing left in it. BSC went nuclear all over the feed. Boner candle energy is all that we need. Randy on the mic couldn't hold it back. Saw that candle rise and everything went black. Called it what it was with a grin on his face. Biggest boner candle in the marketplace. Oh, boner candle, boner candle. What you gonna do? When it comes for you? Boner
CPI reports and Jackson Hole reviews, but nothing hits the chart like a Trump tweet at 9. Randy's got a name for it, and brother, it ain't kind. It ain't the news that moves it. It's the candle that it leaves behind. Funded account traders seen it all before. Double break the VWAP, the fractal and more, but nothing stops the stream like a 150 rip. Randy grabs the mic and lets the name slip. Austin tries to explain it on the chart real cool. Can't explain a boner candle using normal tools. Black shirt club will tell you when you ask him why. Sometimes the market just points straight at the sky. Boner candle. Oh, boner candle. What you gonna do when it comes for you? Boner candle. Boner candle. Trump news and the market just blew right through 150 points, and Randy already knew. Boner candle. Randy called it. Can't uncall it. Black shirt club. Never forget the boner candle of 2025. Hey! Hey!
I got calluses from hands that used to shoe a hole. Now they're wrapped around a mouth, still walking the same course. Daddy never taught me options, taught me how to bleed in me. So some wound don't heal, it should go back in again. 6 acres and a farmhouse older than my grandpa's name. The wife's got more faith in me than I've got in this game. I've took the losses like a gut shot, watched the good ones run. I learned the hardest lessons come from stops I shouldn't run. So I draw it back like a broadhead aimed at heaven. Every red day is just a lesson, every green day's redemption. I ain't chasing money, I'm chasing who I could become. Somewhere between the timber and the setting sun. And the setting sun. I bled for this country, came home and bled some more. I learned the mark is just another silent, honest war. No parade for profit payouts, and no medal for the pain. Just a daddy at his kid's game, instead of drowning in the rain. They don't see the nights I sat here, staring at the screen, praying for a green pen like it's the only thing between who I was and who I'm trying hard to be. Ain't about the money, it's about being free. So I draw it back. Every scar's a story.
Every setback's a lesson.
I ain't chasing money, I'm chasing who I could become. Somewhere between the timber and the setting sun. Discipline's my scripture, patience is my gun. Full draw, hold steady, this is how it's done. Let's go to full draw.
Sun up on the screen, coffee gon' cold. Black and red candles telling me no. I watch that line like a shoreline move. If price holds there, I make my move. One clean entry, then I stay still. No chasing candles, no blind thrill. Wait for the pullback, let it come to me. Hold that line, then I breathe. V-Web, it's the line I trust. V-Web, when it clean and dust. V-Web, I don't need a guess. V-Web, that's my edge, my test. Fast hands, calm eyes, I seen the trap. Breakout talks loud and it snaps back. I cut small loss, take the bad aside. Let the runners run, let the weak ones die. SFF fix in my head, keep the rules on lock. No tilt, no panic, just one more shot. Wait for the pullback, let it come to me. Hold that line and I breathe. V-Web, that's the line I trust. V-Web, when it clean and dust. V-Web, I don't need a guess. V-Web, that's my edge, my test. Wrong silence, pay that fee. Now I trade what I see. No loud mouth, no hero play. Just take the setup, and walk away. That's the line I trust. V-Web, when it clean and dust. V-Web, I don't need a guess. V-Web, that's my edge, my test. Sitting up the level, watching how it's played. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Patience is the age, that's the truth I'm saying. VWAP rolling, pull back, calling my name. Inside bar telling me the range is the same. 2 losses, I'm done, no revenge in the game. Discipline and patience, that's the way to the flame. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. 5 lots tight, that's the line I'm holding. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. 3 shots a day, no room for folding. Payouts coming like the tide. Stack it firm and let the structure be my guide. Quiet mind, breathe and let it ride. Discipline, patience, execution, that's my pride. Red candle, green candle don't mean nothing. Stick to the system, let the data sing. No fear, no greed, just the plan and the play. Same 5 rules I'm living by today. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Charts don't lie, that's the gospel I'm relaying. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. This is the life I'm chasing. Oh yeah, ooh yeah, we're trading, trading, trading on. Steady as the sun, this groove goes on and on.
said, the double break is back. Like he said to do. 1 minute candle closed, and I knew it was true. I pulled the trigger clean, didn't flinch, didn't stray. A double break set up, paid again today. The double break is back, back. Oh, said the double break is back, back, back. A black shirt club already knew it. Watch how Austin do it. The double break is back. See the weak hands bail when the first break fails. They think it's done, they gone. They off the rails, but the BSC stays locked. We've seen this before. Double break means price is coming back for more. Level gets retested, volume starts to build. Freckle lines up clean, you know the setup's filled. Discipline and patience, that's the FFX way. Double break put money in my account today. The double break is back, back. Woo! Said the double break is back, back, back. A black shirt club already knew it. Watch how Austin do it. The double break is back, 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 back. Now when the price breaks once, you wait. When it comes back to test, you wait. When it breaks, what now? That's the double break and it's back. Austin showed us how, yeah. BSC been knowing, yeah. Don't you ever doubt it now. The setup never stops working. Hit me! Wow! Hit it! Oh! I said the double break! Double break! Take it to the bridge! Double break! One more time now! Double break! Is back! Stay on the one! Woo! Black shirt club! Woo! SFX! Somebody tell Austin thank you! The double break is back! Said the double break is back! Back! A black shirt club already knew it! Watch how Austin do it! The double break is back! Back! Take it down now! Just the bass. Double break. Always coming back. SFX. Woke up on the couch with my boots still on. Phone on my chest, 3% gone. Chased a red candle like a dog chases cars. Caught it with my teeth, now I'm wearing the scars. Coffee's cold, price colder. Margin call sitting like a chip on my shoulder. Told my wife it was one more trade. That was 5 trades back and a paycheck ago, babe. Cause a man don't learn when the winning comes easy. He learns in the dirt where it's ugly and greasy. I slept on the charts, broken heart. It'll take your last dime in the dark. If you ain't got rules, you ain't got a prayer. So I slept on the charts last night, and I woke up there. And Grandpa broke horses, never broke his words. The son of wild ones only hear what they want to hear. I was a wild one clicking that mouse, betting the barn to win back the house. Ain't no different than a bar fight friend, swinging at a ghost you can't ever pin. The screen don't bleed, but brother, you will if you trade your plan for a cheap shot thrill. Cause a man don't learn when the winning comes easy. He learns in the dirt where it's ugly and greasy. I slept on the charts last night, blew it all up in the red screen light. Revenge don't pay, but Lord I tried. Bought the top and I bought the lie. Yeah, the market don't care about your broken heart. It'll take your last dime in the dark. If you ain't got rules, you ain't got a prayer. So I slept on the charts last night, and I woke up there. Two losses, I walk away. Three trades, it's all I take. 5 micros.
Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Anyone sleep on the charts last night and you woke up there? I don't know. Good morning, Daniel. What's up? Kello Key, this background music. Oh, there's plenty more where that came from. But good morning, David. Good morning. I was short. Where you got long based on Bookmap. It closed it early as you went long. You can't just bail on a trade because someone else is going against you, David. Come on. And you could both make money. He could make money in this long still, and you could have made money on the short. Oh, well, oh, well. McTire, what's up? Good morning to you. Down that carrot in front of Austin as CIC. Happy Friday. How we doing, boys? So I got nothing on overnight. Pretty clean looking, though. I'm looking at NQ first of higher highs, higher lows. Similar idea to Austin's long right now, where it's off the overnight VWAP. We made a nice push there at the Asia session. Another higher low. Another higher low. Is it too much to ask for another one? All right, you're looking in the right direction of higher highs, higher lows off this VWAP. And this still could hold that Asia low and try to work higher here at the open, into the open. We shall see. ES now looking maybe a little bit weaker of the bullish asset, but still could form a higher low anywhere to the left and try to work back bullish today. So that's what we're going to be focused on. We're going to be live on ASFX TV. We'll keep this stream running. If you're familiar, you already know. But on Fridays, we're going to keep this stream running pre-market through the open. But on ASFX TV is where we'll give priority to that chat, do some giveaways, take some trades. You get access to all the courses on there as well. So might as well say it. Doesn't really matter. Come tomorrow, August, first month free of stream is gone. So the link down there, asfx.biz/first, gets you a free month. That's not going to be the case tomorrow. It's going to be a free week. So you might as well just take the free month tomorrow or today rather than maybe I'll think about it for a week and then you come back in a week and it's less. If you don't, it doesn't affect me. Just putting it out there. David, what's up? Good morning. Happy Friday. Yes, sir. Took a short to the overnight VWAP. Made some money. Nice, Mac. Very nice. I think I saw a markup this morning. Yo, was that like a rejection of high day VWAP or something? A tight stop, my friend. But good. So we have yesterday's New York VWAP here on NQ or ES, either one, well below us. So we can still find support down there. If this does want to pull back, let's look on the week as a whole. You could see, damn, just 2 double break signs this week on ES. That was Friday. It's not even. I'm talking 1. Because if it presents afternoon, it's not going to show. And was that maybe on Monday that it was late? Monday just sank, barely pulled back for us. Tuesday had the double break that won. Nothing Wednesday? I guess because it was at like 1 o'clock. Yeah, so that wouldn't present. And then yesterday, same thing. What? Oh, there was a double break, but it wasn't inside the range? The view up was outside the range. That's why I didn't present. So yeah, not the cleanest of weeks because we're used to seeing many opportunities like this. So it's been a slower week on the double break side of things. Let's just box off our week here. Go back to Monday, where we started. The start price of the week, $74.95. $74.90. Where are we at now? $74.81. So we're 9 points different than we were on Sunday afternoon. Nothing's changed. We're right back where we started. A bunch of bullshit week. Sideways. It was sideways Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yesterday just crawled us back really into that range again. We had that range from last Friday, right? If you remember this bottom here, that support on the bottom, but then really it's choppy up here too. Gross. But I would still like some longs on the week. I don't think we're going to flush and make another new low week on a Friday, but you never know. Take it as it comes. Trade on the right side of VWAP, trade with structure, let the open come in. We'll still be live here, so we'll see how we maneuver the open of letting buyers or sellers step in at the open, but nothing on the table right now. Hopefully this could build a higher low here for the boys and work back higher. Still got 40 minutes until the open. Nick, what's up? Good morning. Rohan, what's up? Yeah, there's only been one this week. That's crazy. But they can't all be presenting every day like we were used to. But yeah, for anyone, the indicator is going through an update right now, so you guys don't have access to this update quite yet because we're still making some tweaks to it, but it is going to be nice. Tell you exactly where the double break is and how to play it, where the stop loss is, where the target is. So definitely something to keep an eye on and to keep tweaking for myself. Right, because with these two on Tuesday, the one that you guys sat through, and it held. Lots of drawdown, lots of chop, but she's a winner. You actually get two of them, right? Because you get another break back above. All still higher lows on the bottom, so it is valid. But just fighting view up alignment. But it does not matter. Double break is strong. But if you go back to the candle itself, like when it's telling you, hey, a double break is in, like this one here, you'll see there's your entry. It tells you where to target this opening range high. Now the bug of it still is this. The stop loss shouldn't be there. It's set, I guess, to opening range low, but it should be at the structure of where it broke out. So that's really only it. Once that's complete, I don't really see any other updates I need to do to it to get it out to you guys. So we'll keep you posted on that. Saw some big orders below us on Bookmap, so that's why you scalped it. Nice. Good little start to a Friday. Muhammad Evan Features 2.0 is really on fire. Priceless course. I appreciate it. It is on fire. Yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah, lots of new members going through it and should be going through it, especially if you're on AceX TV with us. With the double break, the break and retest, just how I read this 15-minute chart. Really everything that we do on stream is backed by Futures 2.0. Luigi, what's up? The month's still good. I had a great week last week, so the month is still great. Went by pretty quick. My birthday's at the start of this month. Feels like 2 months ago. Kind of a slow month, honestly, but maybe also kind of fast. How you doing? How's that account that you won in the giveaway? So anywhere between this Asia overnight low, I want to see a higher low form and work it back higher, especially on NQ. Easily still higher highs, higher lows. Don't get induced by this break below. It's still rising on the bottom over here. This guy's just smacking his mic around.
What are you wearing?
This sweatshirt.
Lululemon?
Yeah. It's nice and soft.
Bougie ass. What's up, Rohan? What's up, Luigi? Thanks for sharing my video this morning, Ev. What time did you get out of bed today?
A lot of courage to put that out there. I'm proud of you.
Well, I mean, I've been waiting. I'm trying to set the tone. I'm waiting for you to make one.
I don't lose 6,000. I don't have that many accounts. I wish I could.
I thought you were going to say I don't lose. I mean, we know you don't.
That's we'll pass my max threshold.
Technically, I only lost 600.
Yeah, I know. I just don't have that many accounts.
And I lost more in the live account because I had another issue with TradeSyncer. One of the add-ins only went I was one heavier in the TOF than I was in the trade sinker. I added into it twice, but only one of the add-ins of one contract went to all the other accounts. I don't know why, but it lagged. So the other accounts lost like 500, and then the live account lost 627.
That's good. I guess.
I guess.
Take it as you can get it.
Yeah, I'm down 375 right now, floating in this trade.
Yeah. NQ looks
Yeah.
like still trying to hold. It's just light news at 8:30 for nothing really. I think it's the 10 o'clock news. Consumer sentiment.
I'm not even looking at that. I'm looking at Amazon's up 11. Yeah. So I'm like, I want to be long. Micron's up, Intel's up, AMD's up, everything's up. The only thing down is fucking Apple.
This is what you wanted on the NQ version of it. Not to dip so far below, but it doesn't mean it can't still recover.
You know what I want, dude.
Yeah, you want the bounce off the overnight. And NQ is still looking very clean for it since it hasn't taken out these higher lows to the left. So I still like the longs into that open. Previous days New York is like way down here near POC. So that's too far. But I like it. Wouldn't want to short it. After yesterday's climb up and we just continue that in the Asia, I'm not top ticking this thing saying, okay, let's come back down now. But yeah, I'm sure you're probably listening, but I was looking at this week here. We had one double break sign.
Yeah.
Maybe two.
I'm working on something right now to do like a monthly review. And it's interesting how the double break has presented differently each week.
Yeah.
Because how far back will the indicator go?
I think you could set it. Maybe. 10 levels. Pretty far.
Yeah.
And this is on a 15-minute chart. She's going. I guess as far as you can see candles, yeah. This contract when it wasn't even a thing in February, it's
right.
Not going to double break it. So I guess as long as you can see the candles, it's there. Which is interesting because it's like, how the fuck does it know where VWAP is?
Right.
When it's not back there.
Well, it must be. There must be something it's pulling the data from.
Yeah. But yeah. You look at like a week like any of them. You just see multiple signals, longs, shorts. Probably some of them are wrong, I'm assuming. But that's why we're going to tweak it. But then this week, it's just like the one. Because yesterday, VWAP left the opening range. Tuesday, the signal came in like 2 p.m., so that's not valid. There's really only the one. I think it was maybe the Tuesday one, whatever. Where there was one. Inside the range. 4, 11 o'clock. This one on Tuesday, yeah.
I'm looking at my worst trade of the month was on the 8th into the 9th. Look at this. Look at that, dude.
I was flying. No, on the 9th, I was flying back home. Yeah, that was your Mac loss day. I wasn't on the stream or anything. I was flying on the 9th.
I was short here in Asia session, held it overnight, added here, short, added here at market open, and then I lost. Terrible. Same thing though as yesterday. It's just not getting out. Yeah, that's it. It's my biggest weakness. It's my only weakness, if you could say, because it's like the only thing that creeps in once in a while, and then that fucks me. Yesterday it didn't fuck me. This day fucked me. This was max daily loss. I lost 2K on the account this day. But other than that, it's happened once this month. That one day of minus 2K. You definitely can say yesterday of minus 627 it's not even half of that, so it's not nearly as bad. It helped because I was up.
I think on that, was it the 10th? I think it was on the 10th. I lost like 1.3K. That was my max loss day. Just trading like a bag of shit.
Yeah. Yeah. It's going to happen. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We're going to have red days.
12-hour day at the airport. I get back to my parents' house. Like, let's fucking sling it.
Rohan, the indicator's available. The indicator's available now, Rohan, but it's not updated for everyone yet. So the update will be out when it's ready. I don't know.
When I say it's out.
Yeah, hopefully next week. I was just thinking about adding some instant funded, bro. I was looking here on Prop for a Match this morning, just looking through to see who else has some interesting instant funded options. I'm not sure if you have any input in this. I have Futures Elite.
You have Futures Elite. You have Top One Live.
Yep. I've never heard of this firm. Day Traders.
It says new, no?
Yeah. Less than 10 reviews. I was looking at who's going to give you the full 2K payout. GOAT funded futures is Aqua's 1,500. Tradeify. Funded futures family. Do you know anyone that trades with them?
Funded Futures family? No.
No.
Did you say my funded futures?
They're not on here
No.
for an instant funded. Do they have an instant funded?
Are they just not listed on Pop for Match? I don't
They're
know if
just
they
not
do.
on here.
I have no idea.
Do they not have an instant funded?
Mm-hmm.
How's
Never traded with
funded
them.
next? I don't know about funded next. Haven't tried them yet. What's his face?
Yeah, that
Alex
either.
trades with this. Look, max loss 2,500, max payout 2K, thresholds 3K. This one seems pretty on point, actually.
Blue Guardian?
Mm-hmm.
It's just such an odd name.
What does that even mean?
It just doesn't sound like a prop firm. It's like a
Everybody's got
movie.
deep charts. Everybody's on deep charts, dude.
Yeah, Futures Elite is on there on Payout Junction.
Direct account is 370. It's not bad. I think that's pretty on point compared to like Lucid. Oh, this website's confusing. Direct, there we go. Daily loss limit's 1250 on this one. They do a bundle too. If you get a free one if you buy 5. First payout is 3,000. Second payout target is 2,000. News trading is allowed. Consistency score actually gets easier with each payout. Okay, that's an interesting tactic. Max drawdown is 2K. End of day is 1250. I'm just not a fan of the DLL in the instant funded. You know what I mean?
The daily loss limit?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Yeah, there was a period where my top on future ones didn't have it. They just scratched
I don't like daily loss limits, Evan. I don't want someone telling me when I have to stop.
Stopping my account's gone.
I got the update on this new TOF live program too yesterday that they're moving me into. It's definitely going to be different because I won't be able to just take daily payouts because of the way that the drawdown is going to trail. You're going to have to build a buffer and then you'll be able to take daily payouts above the buffer. Otherwise, I'm going to chop into my drawdown slowly as I take those daily payouts because of the way that they have the drawdown trailing now. Yeah. So like you go to pre-live like I've been in. Then when you take a bunch of payouts from pre-live now, then you go to live, fully live. Then it's 3 payouts now to go live. It's in here somewhere. Hold on. Yeah, see. So on a 50K, they told me I'm going to get a 150K. So they're not doing like the 15K, 10,000. That's going away. You're just getting an account with this max loss. So it's basically a 4K account. That's MLL end of day drawdown.
Yeah, which is like a 100K funded account. I feel like that's how much, or 150K. Maybe that's how much you normally get, anyways.
Yeah,
on like an instant
but you
funded.
can get more. You can have 5 of these accounts. So they're doing the same thing that Lucid and Tradeify are doing, where you can have multiple live accounts and then be copying multiple live accounts. Yep. So once you make $4,000 in this account, then anything above that, you can take the daily payouts because look, the end of day balance to trigger the daily drawdown lock. $100 over the balance. Get it?
Yeah.
And then you can have 5 of these, I think.
I mean, 3 minis is good. Or is that 3 micros?
7.
Oh, you got the 150?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're gonna give you the 150.
Plenty.
It's still a 90-10 profit split and then 80-20. But then no consistency score, no DLL. Daily payouts, minimum is 200. Yeah, and then once you have the full size, that's when you get the full contracts too. If I get selected, no, you can't. You have to go live. Yeah. I don't know, dude. I'm not going to overthink it, bro. Like, it is what it is. It's not my money anyway. I'm going to still trade it aggressive as best I can while trying to stack. You know what I mean? If I fuck it up, I fuck it up. I get another one. Like, as long as I'm profitable every month at the end of the month, I feel like that's the, can't overthink this shit. And you can definitely get down in the weeds and start overthinking it,
Yeah.
These ones seem interesting though. I just don't like the DLL with 1250. Like, can we get something without a DLL?
Bundle add-on. I feel like that.
Yeah.
What was that with? You could like pay to have none of that and no something
That was TOF.
else.
TOF did that at first.
Yeah. And you were paying for maybe like anytime payouts. Yeah, that's what it was. And maybe
Does
90
TOF now
10
have a real cooldown that too? Yeah, Doug. So it's 3 weeks and you can trade in eval in the cooldown, they're saying. Because I was saying to them, I'm like, if we're going to trade the live account every day on stream and I lose it, like I need an account at all times. You know what I mean? With TOF, I'm like, you can't just ban me if I lose the account. Like, otherwise I wouldn't trade with you. And they were like, no, we're not going to ban you, but you'd go back to 1 eval, which is still fine because I can trade with all these other firms at the same time. You know what I mean? I'm running 13 accounts right now. I'm going to buy more. I have plenty of connection space I can do. Yeah, just trying to keep the month in focus too, Ev. Yesterday, unfortunate,
Month's
but
over. Month's
so
over.
well, I mean, it's not over, dude. You can fuck the whole month up today. Sitting in this
Whoa.
trade right now, down 400.
Not on my watch.
Not on
Not
my
on
watch. Yeah, DL. Fuck DL. Let me burn one day. Exactly, Doug. Thank you, bro. Fuck. Let me live. Apple down 7.7 now. It was worse. Amazon's up almost 12 now. So getting a little more bullish. You see this big chunk of orders down there, Ev. 11, 12, 1,112 contracts at 74.50. That's what I was like. There's no way it's going
Oops.
down there. Yeah.
Spoof.
Yeah. So everybody, we are going to be taking a break at 9:20, and then we'll come back for market open. We're going to stay live on social today. We're also going to open up the stream for ASFX TV, but we're going to do a ton of giveaways from Top 1 Futures once we get into the mainstream. This is just our pre-market prep, getting ready for the day, not trading too heavy, just trying to feel it out here, see if we can find the move here. Where's NVIDIA pre-market? Up 1%. Okay.
Yeah, so I got Aussie tickets last night for 3 weeks from now.
Where do you have to go for that?
There's an IMAX theater near me in the 70. It's like 5
nice.
minutes away. But there was one I'm going on a Friday afternoon. There was one on the Thursday at 7:30 in the morning. Like, should we just bang it out? Go get hyped up at 7 a.m. watching the Odyssey?
You want to probably like wake up and have a couple coffees beforehand. Otherwise, you're going to be falling back asleep.
Just
You
like
told me
they're
you don't
running
get out, dude. You told me you don't get out of bed till 7:30. Why are you going to go to a movie at 7 o'clock?
on the one day. Jesus.
I mean, I wouldn't have
Until
said
it's
that.
enough.
You're never going to lose that one, bro. That's going to be with us for a while now. You said it. I didn't say it.
Brandon, I have a whole YouTube video on my TradeZella about like tutorial and how I use it. I'm not gonna go through all that right now. And Austin does too. So if you're on his profile or mine, you can find a TradeZella tutorial. Probably could even do an updated one.
Yeah, Brandon. I mean, TradeZella is a really, really good resource, bro. Look, I've been using it, dude. We've had a relationship with them for 3 years, since 2023. That's when I started putting all my props in here, bro. It's cool. This number is very much irrelevant, so don't be distracted by that. It's more just the metrics of all the trades I've had in here. 70% trade win rate, 2,000 trades logged on the winning side, 760 on the losing side. So you just have a lot of confidence.
What is that?
What's up, bud?
700 losses? What is that? Oh, 2K.
2K, 2,000 winning trade. Total trades logged would be like almost 3,000 trades in 3 years.
That a boy. Proud of you.
I'm working, bro. I mean, we are here every day. If I wasn't trading, there'd be something wrong. Can I get them? Like, where do we get a snapshot of like total number of winning trades? Yeah, total number of trades is what all dates it says is 2,573. Number of wins is 1,810. Number of losses is 761. So it probably is rounding up that 1,800 on the other picture. So it's 1,800 wins to 700 losses.
Yes. But yeah, 2 break-even trade. That's good. No donuts.
No, try not to.
Well, I don't even know. They classify like a break-even.
Right. Well, there's 4
Literally
break-even. If you look at the break-even days, that's a donut day, right? 3, 4 of those days. But I win 400 days. I lose 100. I think that's the most important thing I try to focus on is like, I know how to win 400 days and lose 100. You know what I mean?
What is that? 92 days? So 92 days you had to question yourself. Like, shit, do I suck?
Dude, after yesterday's loss, I'm not even going to lie. Like, because it was $6,000. I haven't had a $6,000 P&L in a while since the copy trading just started. I was like a little bit agitated. Because I was like, I know this thing's not coming down. Like, read my notes on it. We'll go over it on the I'm like, I'm stuck in this. I'm fucked. Like, I just know it is. I'm going to try to keep this as small, but I'm like, I hope I don't end down 1,200 in each account today. That's going to be
down
real.
with the ship.
But then what I was going to say is like, afterwards, I just had to go and like not do anything. I did the markup, did the DRC. I was like, I'm not talking about trading for a few hours. And then I felt fine. Like within 2 hours, I was like, oh, okay. Hot streak ended. Still profitable this month. Relax. Let's take a good trade tomorrow. And then I opened up the charts and I almost traded in Asia. And I was like, no, discipline is the choice to do the hard thing. And I chose to do the hard thing. Yeah.
Not enough time in between to be jumping right back in.
Well, I was going to be long anyway. Just leave it alone. I was like, okay, you want to fuck me? Fine. I'll join the party. And then just leave a long on all night. And I was like, that's stupid. Don't do that. Don't care for Top Step, but I got 225K static. I realized, yeah, hopefully, okay. Honestly, bro, Ant-Man, when I was thinking about it this morning, I was like, I wonder what offers they even have right now. I don't even know what offers Top Step has.
220. Yeah, I don't. Is it still? No, they got rid of the activation thing though. It's just like a one-time fee now.
Couldn't tell you.
But 25K accounts so small for what I would be trading.
Yeah.
I like the idea. Yeah, hopefully they work out well for you. I would say the one thing that they had for them was the no consistency. You could just have a outsized day.
Yeah.
Short QQQ, nothing right now. I'm not short into the open. I still like the longs. NQ's holding its overnight VWAP. Hopefully I can keep Austin's up. I mean, you look at NQ overnight. I'd want to be long around this. So like this is a great lesson on this is the retest of overnight. Clean, never gets below it. That's what you want to see. But that's still what this is doing now. Even though it dipped below it for 15, 30 minutes, it's still, well, did structure really break or is it still bullish on the bottom? So this is still now, especially that we're above VWAP, it's a hold of the overnight. Just like this is. Just looks a little different. So I still like this to come back higher. Even this back here dips below it. Buyers take it back. The money's from the overnight. So hopefully we'll see the open range set maybe around this VWAP so we can still take our trade around here. I don't want to just open up to a new high and then I got to buy it that far from VWAP. $200 for 150K, no activation. All right. Interesting. Very cheap.
I like that NQ.
Yeah. I mean, you said it. I mean, yesterday even too. It was arguably the more bullish one. No, I know that everything went higher, but I think that was up like 3% yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
So it just continued that overnight. Really, honestly, until I'm not bearish, but really until we even take out Asia, though, which is kind of like yesterday's high. Everything is still making new highs since yesterday. So it's longs or nothing. Don't want to be selling it on a Friday against VWAPs and against yesterday's structure. Darren, yeah, it's been a slow week, I feel. A lot of people, I mean, especially when the double break, I think, presented maybe once or twice. So that's why if you survive this week and you just add a little cherry on top from the good weeks you've been having so far in July, doesn't need to be a home run week. You know, it could be your smallest week of the month and still be a great month. So just focus on what process did you follow this week and what trades did you take. Not so much the outcomes. I need a healthier way to deal with bad days on the charts. My strategy now is an edible and ice cream. Well, hopefully there's not too many bad days. Getting fat off ice cream and edibles every day. Hopefully it's like a once a month type of thing.
The edibles don't make you fat. They're actually zero
But a
calorie.
bunch of ice cream, you get the munchies. He's gonna be eating Takis.
He's eating the
Cheetos
0
all night.
calorie edibles, so he's okay. You know what you do? Go get a Coke or a Diet Coke out of the fridge. They call it a fridge cigarette now. That's what the kids call it.
I did hear that. I've heard that.
That's July 8th, 9th. Look, I have all the double breaks, I think, here. This has to be. I got to start putting the vertical line so it marks exactly what day it is.
Yeah, I feel like it sometimes used to like show that number on the bottom axis, but it depends on what time of day you take the picture. You know, like how here it says the 31st here, but it doesn't always say it. We got 15 minutes until the open. We're going to keep on running this stream, but anyone, like I said, join AceFX TV, get priority chat, but also the giveaways today. And obviously you get the streams next week too. So it takes a couple minutes because starting tomorrow, which is August, the deal's going away. So,
Double going back the whole month on ES. This is all I have for the double break. Wins and losses going back to the beginning of the month. A win here, a win here, a win here, short. 4 shorts to start the month. Another short, 5, win, long, short, long, and then long Tuesday.
You're saying this is every double break you see?
This is every double break, win or loss
Every
on
double
ES this month. Yeah. Are we putting yesterday's double break in the bucket of double breaks for the month?
Oh.
I mean, I guess we
I
can.
wouldn't scold you for it, but I don't know if you need.
I played it like that, so I think we should just put it in there to talk about it. So then from the start of the month, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And they're all wins. It's actually, this is at the beginning of the month. This is from July 2nd. Yeah.
So there was a good comment on the Instagram I made last night where people were mentioning the New York fill up outside the opening range. Yep, got that. And something we didn't even like realize, 'cause it's not really a hard rule. They were saying you took the entry outside the opening range high. So like we didn't even break back inside the opening range to go break both sides. I'm like, yeah, shit, that is true. But I would say 9 times out of 10, that's how it presents anyways. So like,
yeah. No, yesterday's was
a rule that it has to be inside it just normally is.
Yeah.
So it was something to look at. Yeah, because you're still outside the opening range saying, let's go break the other side, which is probably more aggressive than saying, okay, we're back in the range. Let's go break the other side. Right. So yes, it was definitely an interesting example, but I think there's still merit to it, obviously, as it paid.
We'll go over that.
I think that's one where, like, if you miss it, well, also I was saying because of how overextended it was from VWAP, you probably just wanted to short it back there because you didn't like the long so high. I think that's one, like, if you miss it, you're not beating yourself up of like, oh shit, do I not understand the strategy? I missed it.
Right.
You probably saw it, just didn't like how the VWAP was outside the range and the price was outside the range. So don't think it's terrible. A bad miss. Probably most consistent month in a long time. That's good.
He's working.
Why is that sadly to say? That's great. Yeah, you're always tuning in here, Ant-Man. So that's good. I see some lower time frame stuff. Is there a way to get in long into the open? Is that how we want to play it on a Friday?
I'm gonna hold it. With the stocks being so bullish, if it pops at the open and then I get out of this and I'm like, no, that's stupid. If the stocks weren't bullish, I'd bail. But I got fucked yesterday fighting Microsoft and Micron ripping. I'm not.
Yeah, that was
Dude, I mean,
impressive.
look at the markup, bro. It's like
Every higher high, you're like, okay, turn around.
turn around, please. Something
Okay,
off of
last
value.
one. Now turn
Something
around.
off of value area high. We've been stuck here forever. No, slice value area high. Okay, now it can't go any higher. End of day, bang, earnings. Love it. You gotta fucking love it, dude. No matter what. Hey, like you said, bro. All I know is that one of the separating factors of me from all these other goons in the industry is I will show that every time and be proud of it because I know it's not how I trade every day, and I know most of the time I don't act like that. But it's always after I run hot, dude. We get hot, and then you get confident. It's the same thing. So
I mean,
of course,
part of
every
that is
time
ego.
this
Like
happens,
I'm probably not wrong. Probably this should turn around like it has every other time I thought it would. Like this probably, I'm probably right.
Right. Now I think like objectively, if I'm short off of New York VWAP for a retest lower there, the stop has to go here. So then when it slices here, I got to get out. And then it's just a matter of, okay.
New high a day above every VWAP when you're short.
Yeah.
That's a hope.
I feel stuck. It's too small of a loss to hurt me and make me get out, but I'm also confident I can make anything work, even fighting VWAP,
There you go.
which of course I know it's very hard.
Yep. There's the terminology right there. I know this sucks, but I feel like I could make it work.
That's why I put it in there. I just keep it real.
Yeah, Doug, just close your eyes and buy it. Yeah, that was yesterday.
Doug, you shut your mouth. That's why you lost that live account, buddy.
You shut your mouth when you're talking to me.
Yeah.
I wonder if James watched Wedding Crashers. One of my favorite lines.
He did. He's got to watch Old School now.
Yes.
This AI video of Tony Romo doing the hip check in the parking lot is so funny.
I didn't see that one. I saw he got pulled over.
Yeah, so like someone made an AI video of him doing like the sobriety test, and it's him like this doing the hip thing. Yeah, exactly. It's actually really funny, and it looks fucking real. It's so stupid, bro.
I think there was something where it's like, have you had any concussions? And he was saying something about like in his past, and then just like went to like a hype video.
She's like,
of
do you
all
have any
his...
injuries? And he's like, yeah, in the past. And his hair's all fucked up, and then it cuts to like him getting rocked.
Yeah.
All right, let's take a break. We'll be back, everybody. 5 minutes. We'll be back. Grab a coffee. Whatever you got to do. We'll be back.
Yep.
Busy stream today.
Anywhere.
A lot of top. Yeah, say again.
Not going anywhere. We're going to keep this stream running.
Yeah,
So.
keep this stream running. Giveaways start at 9:30, everybody. We'll put the giveaway form in the chat. We'll get all that thing going for you. But make sure you hang out, share it with your friends. We will be back in 5 minutes.
Sun up on the screen, coffee gon' cold. Black and red candles telling me no. I watch that line like a shoreline move. If Christ holds there, I make my move. One clean entry, then I stay still. No chasing candles, no blind thrill. Wait for the pullback, let it come to me. Hold that line, then I breathe. VWAP, it's the line I trust. VWAP, when it clean and dust. VWAP, I don't need a guess. That's my edge, my test. Fast hands, calm eyes, I seen the trap. Breakout, talks loud, and it snaps back. I cut small loss, take the better side. Let the runners run, let the weak ones die. SFF fixing my head, keep the rules on lock. No tilt, no panic, just one more shot. Wait for the pullback, let it come to me. Hold that line and I breathe. VWAP, it's the line I trust. VWAP, when it clean and dust. VWAP, I don't need a guess. VWAP, that's my edge, my test. say what I see. No loud mouth, no hero play. Just take the setup, and walk away. That's the line I trust. View up, when it clean and just. View up, I don't need a guess. View up, that's my edge, my test.
There's some traders in this market that need data all the time. Certified chart freak. Now get on your knees. I want a VWAP. Volume weighted price. Come pull up to me. I'm talking anchor from the open bell. Stack it on the bid where the value dwell. Veto app, veto app, veto app, veto app, veto app, veto app, veto app. Bring a bucket and a mop for this veto app, veto app, veto app, veto app. Give me everything you got for this veto app, veto app, veto app, veto app. Bring a bucket and a mop for this veto app, veto app, veto app, veto app. Bring a bucket and a mop. Whores of the market, I don't cook, I don't clean. But let me tell you how I read the screen. See the price come down to veto app band. Now I'm ready, got my size in hand. He wants to short, but the buyer said long. PVA held on my conviction strong. He bought the open, baby, that's a fade. Wait for the pullback, that's how money's made. Veto app, veto app, veto app. Volume weighted, watch me tap, tap, tap. I anchor to the low of yesterday. If it reclaims, yeah, I'm in all day. Broke boys trade the noise in between. I only touch it when the level's clean. Make it clap when the price come back to the VWAP. Like a quarter stack, I want a VWAP. Volume weighted price, come pull up to me. I'm talking anchor from the open bell. Stack it on the bid where the value dwell. Veto app, veto app, veto app, veto app, veto app, veto app, veto app. Bring a bucket and a mop for this veto app, veto app, veto app, veto app. Give me everything you got for this veto app, veto app, veto app, veto app. Bring a bucket and a mop for this veto app, veto app, veto app, veto app. Bring a bucket and a mop. I don't want a quick scalp, boy, I need extension. Standard deviation band up attention. He said, where you entering veto app retest. Below the mean, nah, that's a no at best. Riding up a band like it's a silk sheet. Price above the VWAP, there's a mid defeat. SD2 hit, that's where I take profit. Every trade I log it, yeah, I never drop it. I'm a chart freak, I'm a price queen. Fairest value I have ever seen. Volume heavy on the bullseye candle. This the kind of data that I handle. Veto app sloping up through the whole session. Every dip to mean is a bull suggestion. Come back, baby, test it one more time. Reclaim the VWAP, that's the buy sign. Now from the open, anchor it right there. Price discovered, volume beyond compare. Veto app, hold support, yeah, you know what that means. Cleanest entry that you've ever seen. He said, this tape is random.
Morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being here on time. We got a busy stream today. I'm in a long this morning, nothing too heavy. Watching this thing to see if it'll bounce off overnight VWAP. I'll talk to you about this in a second. I'll talk to you about yesterday's red day as well. I know most of you follow me on social, so you saw the video. We'll go over that. Not a big red day, not my biggest red day of the month, and only my second or third red day of the month. So overall, hopefully we're all coming into stream today feeling positive, feeling like we had a good July. I had a lot of people on stream this morning saying, this has been my most consistent month since I started trading. This is my most consistent month since I started with ASFX. So what I'd like to do is not just talk about the loss yesterday. I'd like to look at all of the trades that have really paid for us this month, including a bunch of double break wins, 10, 11, maybe 12 double break wins. Short in the beginning of the month, longs kicking up at the end of the month. It's funny, when you look at the whole month of a setup in review, you'll notice patterns you didn't notice day by day. And I'd like that to be something we share with you guys today. So we'll get into that as we get going. Nate says the stream not working. Somebody tell that guy to refresh. Somebody tell that guy to refresh. Jordan said, July was my most consistent month ever. Not even close. I'm happy for you, Jordan. I'm super happy for you. Anthony P. Who else can I give a shout out to? Nate here. Whoever is showing up every day, I can definitely see those names. And I know that those are the people that are going to make the most improvements. Jordan, big payout month for you, dude. So huge, huge W. Everybody, I'm going to put the giveaway form in the chat. Get your name on there. Make sure you only put it once, please, so Evan doesn't have an aneurysm again on stream today. Also, remember, if you're watching on, had to close the window. If you're watching on X or on YouTube with us today, Stream is sponsored by Top One Futures. 55% off sale still going on. Trade Syncer and Bookmap are also sponsors today. Discount links and discount codes are at the top of the screen. Make sure, guys, we aren't rushing today. Make sure you keep the entire month of July in mind with the first trade that you take, and especially with the position size that you choose to put on. I've been cautious to you guys all week. It's definitely not been what it was for the last 2 weeks. For some of you that have been here with me, rocking the double break every day, it's been almost easy the middle 2 weeks of July. But this last week has been a little trickier. Now, we had a double break yesterday, and we had a double break Tuesday. 2 of them this week, both of them winners. We will review those. But let's see what this trade wants to do for me here at the open. Let's get the music going. Just bought 9 Ignite accounts, got 1 free. Fuck yeah, Nate. The deal is just too good from Top One right now. You know what I'm saying? Deal is too good. I'm putting the giveaway form again in the chat, everybody. We're going to do a bunch of Top One giveaways today. I'm fired up. I'm so excited to be here with you guys. Like I said, it's been a great week, and I love reviewing a good week with you guys. I love being able to go over trades and make sure we identify repeatable patterns, identify within the double break what's helping us, what's hurting us. That's going to make us sharper for next week. And next week's important. It's the start of a new month. So we got to come in next week laser focused. You see that hand signal there? Whatever that means, laser focused. Anybody new in the chat? Do we have anybody new? First timer, first week, first day? Anybody new? Please say hello in the chat. I'd love to see where the new guys are coming in from. Why was I liking the longs pre-market? Well, it wasn't just the carry overnight. It was also Amazon being up now 12%. Apple is down 8.8%. That's one of the biggest down days for Apple that we've probably seen in a while here. So let's change the heat map over to our daily. You can see Apple down 8% here. Amazon up 12. Little red across the board, but also there's green in the chips. Oracle, Intel's up 6. Dell's up 3.5, AMD up 6, Microsoft up about 1%, Google up 2.5, Meta up almost 2, Micron's up 5. So you see the green in there, everybody. You see why I like the longs, right? And you see my notes down here. I had orders below that I thought would be spoofing, and I felt like we may push up into these 20s here. You see how hot the orders have been up here at 22? I'll show you here on Bookmap if we stretch this out. Look at those orders. They came on this morning, and you can see the big spoofer down here, right? Let me pull this out a little bit. Just so everybody understands. This morning, when I come in, I'm looking at price action. Where have we been? We've been above overnight VWAP. So when it pulled back to overnight VWAP, I'm looking at Bookmap thinking, okay, I want to play probabilities. I know it'll probably bounce off of this. What do I see? Well, I see this huge block of orders down here. That's so many orders in one location. It's probably an algo, a spoof. So then I see above more solid blocks here. And then I see these below. When those did not fill and it started to come off of them, I felt even more confident that these were the blocks up here at 15 and 20 that wanted to fill. So it's really just looking at the heat map pre-market and looking at where we've been relative to overnight VWAP. That's really what impacts the decision. Let's see here. Let's take a look at SPY real quick. We have a 20% gaps to the downside there. So we may get that pullback eventually. This is a good trade into the open for me. I'm going to sell a little bit more than half of it there. Get this out of the way. Get this out of the way. So I'm down to 2 now from 6. Got some off there at 10. Look at that. Come on, take them 17s.
She's going to 25.
Hey, he's here. He speaks.
She's going to 25.
With no pullback to go fill this 20% gap?
I don't know. I like
I gotta
25.
take it. I gotta take it. I'm gonna get out at 10. It's good. That's a good pop for me for
Great
3
trade.
minutes. It's a good
Great
pop.
trade.
Yeah, I mean, you know, I'm recovering from yesterday a little bit, Randy. Wait till we go over that. Whoo, boy, wait. Do you want me to just get up on the desk and spread my butt cheeks now so you guys can just rip me on how bad yesterday's trade was? Like, that's where we need to be, everybody. That's what I deserve. But not really, but maybe.
I was going to say, I've seen this now the second time play out where we have price trending above the overnight most of the overnight session. And you had a buy iceberg come in just before the market opened.
Really?
And then off that buy iceberg, price just pushed higher. So basically down there at, what time would that have been?
9 o'clock.
6 or 9:28, a big buy iceberg came on. And then price never got below it, and then you just pushed higher.
So I have the volume balls back on, Randy, today on Bookmap, and I'm filtering here in the settings, everybody. I'm filtering based on 15.
Yeah, I got mine set to 50. So I got two buying events that happened in the last 5 minutes.
Okay. Yeah,
So
she's
that's why I
pushing.
like 25. That's why I was saying 25. But
I mean,
then
I
again,
see it, bro. I see it.
You are
100%.
trading into the pre-market highs.
Yeah, that's why I'm out.
20. So that's a good exit. I was
Thanks.
giving you a hard time.
I know. Well, let me go over it really quick, and then let's go over yesterday, and then we'll continue to look for today. Butt cheeks necessary. Made a mistake. Organized, internalized. Ready not to do again. Yes. Hello, Snow Prince.
What's up, fellas?
Boys.
He's handing out free money. Crazy.
Handing out. You should have been long with me, bro.
Yeah.
Everybody, free giveaway chat. Free giveaway today. The link is in the chat. Please get your name on there once, or Evan will have a conniption. Okay.
I heard you.
Once.
It's
Once.
true.
Once. All right, so let me go over this really quick, just to go over the pre-market trade. Randy, give me your feedback on this too, please, because it's going to be Bookmap focused. So, pre-market, after popping yesterday, it's overnight. It's all higher highs, higher lows. Pre-market, it pulls back to overnight VWAP. When it gets to overnight VWAP, I'm playing the idea in my head. Do I want to be short to cut this thing, or do I want to think it's going to bounce and retest the highs to the left? First thing I do after that thought, I go to the heat map pre-market. Heat map pre-market said everything was up except Apple. Amazon, look, it's up 13%. So everything was super green. So I'm like, okay, I think I want to be on the long side of it. Logic makes sense so far, Randy, Evan? Yes, right?
Yep.
It's been above it. Stocks are bullish pre-market. I'm going to buy the bounce and play probabilities. We bounce. Fine. And it's also 7,500. You see the long is 74.98. 7,500, it's a whole price, right? Then we stretch the book map. And if you're on the stream with me pre-market, even though I'm not talking, you would have seen this. I had the text on the screen that said, look, below, Randy, right before 7 a.m. I had the book map on at like 6:30. Right before 7, huge chunk of contracts. 1,234 contracts comes on down below. There's also orders here and here. So I think some of the guys on the stream were short into those orders. I was sitting in my long. As it didn't fill these orders, look what it did, Randy. You see it, right? It took the block here and put it here. And it took the block here and put it here. Just like we said yesterday, right? Starts to move them up almost to say, wait, don't go without me, right? Because they're heat. It's clearly algo controlled. This one's still down here to try to distract you. These ones saying, wait. And then what ends up happening as it moves those two up, it also put these on up here at 20 and at 15. And that's what I felt like would pull because of the pre-market stocks and the pre-market price action. This then confirmed to me that this was a distraction and this was the level we would pull into. Is that illogical?
No. You
It's
can
exactly
even look
what
at
we've
it.
been talking about.
You
Even
can
I
even look at it
understood
like those orders at 74.50. That's previous days New York, basically down there with the value. Like it's an area that's going to want to be almost defended. I almost look at that as stops. Like I hate to say it.
Why?
Like these are people
Well,
that are sitting in long positions. These are buyers that are sitting down there, and that's their stops. That's because that 74.50 level is like you saw that get contested yesterday. That is on the gamma. That's the HVL, like the strongest level in gamma is that 74.50 level. So that's got to be held.
Yep.
So I don't think we're pulling to that until we take out overnight lows or something. Like we'd
Sure.
have to do something drastic for us to pull down there. If not, that's like a safety net.
It's a safety net. Yep. And that's what I was seeing.
Like I wasn't
We're-
looking at it like price was going to suck down to that. Why would it? We've been
we
above
f-
that overnight VWAP bouncing off it all night. Like we had nothing but good news come in on the AI front yesterday with Microsoft. Not with Amazon and a few other that reported. Like even
Yeah.
I know some of the stuff on the Korean stock exchange bounced 16% this morning.
Yep.
So
Well, after yesterday's loss, which I'd like to go over now real quick, I got a lot I want to talk to everybody about. And like, we got to do giveaways today, everybody. So just get your name on there once, please. Purdy's up today already. Good. Randy, Evan, after yesterday's $600, $500 loss, I've recovered more than half of it. So back in
There
a
we
really
go.
good spot. Right back
Put it
where I need
behind
to.
you. Enjoy the weekend. I'll see
Right
you back on
behind
Monday.
I'll see you on Monday. Back on Monday. Cue the music. But I can't just walk away from it. You know what I'm saying? Like part of this is I have to show the wins and the losses. Even though I know I want everyone to do that, I got to do it the best. So I will always pride myself on this. So I'll just break it down for you quickly because I think there's a lot you guys can take from it. I'm going to stretch this just so it's big. First thing yesterday was a long pre-market. Remember this above overnight VWAP, right? Again, same
Yeah.
idea that I was doing today, just
Like
using
today.
yeah, exactly. So pre-market money there. Just a note on this, everybody. And Evan and Randy, tell me your thoughts. Does me not catching this full move that I wanted to POC, does that end up coming to impact me later in the day? Just watch. So that's the first trade. Second trade was the double break. We waited, took the short here, paid into previous day VWAP, it does come down to target. So it is a double break win, even though it's a funny looking double break with the VWAP out of the range. I get that. But when we were so far from overnight VWAP, everybody, and then you have the overnight VWAP, the POC, and opening range low, and 7,400 all lined up down here, felt like this was the magnet, and that way that was still viable. So that was good, and I was green, like happy. Pause. This is where my wife, she sees my recap video yesterday of the 6K loss. She goes, "What are you doing?"
Yeah.
I'm like,
I said
don't
what
know.
I saw it and I was like, what are you doing? I'm pretty sure Evan was like, what the
Trading.
fuck is he
That's
doing?
what I said.
I was
said,
like,
I'm
when did that
trading.
happen?
No, but it's funny because it looks like a bad loss day because of the 13 accounts. It was really only $600, but it's a regular loss day. And she's like, out of all, I go green for fucking the entire month. I'm up 7K in payout. She don't say nothing. She just spending the money. And then she goes on the one loss day, "What are you doing? Huh?" She's lucky she's pregnant. So I'm very nice, right now. So then this is that double break trade that plays out lower. And then this is the bad trade. So I got short on the retest of New York VWAP half size. So there's a lot of notes you could say as feedback. One of them is going to be, does being green on the day and then trading the second trade smaller make me be risky and not get out of the trade? It's almost too small that I don't take it seriously. So that's a note.
Yeah.
I take the short there. I don't have a stop at the session high. So when it cuts through session high, and I put my notes here, should have cut it here. It made new highs. I didn't get out. Instead, I wrote, I feel stuck. It's too small of a loss to hurt me and make me get out, but I'm also confident I can make anything work, even fighting VWAP, which I know, of course, is very hard. So what did I do? Since I'm only in at 2 down here, I add 1 here to try to bring the price up. Then it pops even more. And I'm like, no way. It's got to reject value area high and come down. No, it goes higher. So then I add another one at 76. And I'm like, I got to just hope I get something here. It's a terrible strategy. It's awful, but I'm trying to defend my position. And then I get fucked and I get stopped at the end of the day at like 4 or 5.
To this morning, he's still in it at these highs. He keeps adding one.
So that ended up being a $600 loss on the live account. Only a $500 loss, though, Randy, on the other accounts. I didn't have this in the notes. One of the add-ins, this first one, only went to the TOF live account. It did not sync to the other ones. So when I got to 4 here, I was only at 3 on all 12 other accounts, which saved me across 12 accounts like another $1,200. You know what I'm saying? $1,500.
Yeah.
So the lag actually helped me in this case. You know what I'm saying? So thank you, Trade Syncer, for the lag slightly. So that was yesterday. Look, I say this, and I want to beat the horse dead. I just will show you this, everybody. Like, it's not my biggest loss day of the month. Judge me by my month on this live account. Judge me by my payouts. Don't judge me on just my wins. And I think you can see here, like, I've proven that I know how to bounce back multiple times. And that's a very controlled loss. So as much as it stung to see the minus 6K in the P&L on the Trade Syncer, I just disassociated myself afterwards. I did this DRC. 4 o'clock comes. I'm out of here. I don't want to talk about trading no more the rest of the day. And then by 7 p.m., 3 hours later, I felt nothing. I'm like, good, see you tomorrow. Double break tomorrow. Let's see what we got. Everybody. So that's the lesson from it. I show it. I want you guys to see. It builds trust with us. Sure. But really the thing is, like, me putting it behind me and then coming in this morning, I made almost all of it back, more than half of it back already. That's the kicker. This loss is irrelevant. It just matters what's your next trade. Do you tilt? Do you do something stupid, or do you come in the next morning and take a good trade like I did today? I wanted to trade Asia session last night. You don't think I wanted to get it back? Come on. I'm greedier than all of you. But look, my self-awareness of my greed got me out of that trade this morning. When Randy said it's going to 25, I closed it there at 10. We're down at 85 now. So I know how greedy I am, which is why I am always trying to counteract it. When I feel the greed kick in, I try to fucking act the other way. So
It was a test. I text Evan. I'm like, Ev, watch this. I'm going to get on there. I'm going to tell him to go for 25. Let's see what he does. Let's see if he learned from his lessons.
Well,
Boom,
you know what
you
really
learned.
did it, Randy? It wasn't just that. It was this. This popped higher on SPY. I closed my ES trade here because I knew we'd probably go touch the 20% gap fill.
Or
See how
50%
fucking-
gap fill. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's good.
Yeah.
Good move.
Right,
I'm
because that's an
good.
80%. Now I'm in a long fighting an 80% probability that we come and touch that orange line on SPY. No, that's stupid.
For me, what I see in this whole conversation and stands out the most for me personally is that you had that day yesterday, you realized you fucked up, and you didn't get greedy today, where I would have probably leaned more towards holding into the trade to want to get that loss back. So I think that's what me personally, what I take. Like, everybody's going to take something different out of your, this conversation. But that's for you not to come in today and be greedy and be like, I'm going to finish the week. I'm going to fucking get this back. I'm going to do this. Like, I think that is
Thank you. I agree. Yep.
Try not to stroke you on a Friday. That's a lot.
No. But that is good. That is what we're trying to teach people. We fuck around and we're
honestly,
funny. But
that's what
true.
I took. But honestly, that's what I took away from it. That's my
seeing, and it's me seeing that I can just, dude, I can click the button right now. And that it's like that lesson alone is so hard to like know whether I win or lose, I can take the next trade. So easy to say. But when you have money on the line that requires you to lose the money and then know you can, it's like the gears in the brain get all grinding up. You know what I'm saying? But I think that you unlock that and then the gears just start going. Arnaud, that's amazing, buddy. Big W for you.
Yeah. Yeah, strong open right back down.
Mm-hmm.
So now on the 50-minute looking very, not sideways, but not
Ben hit the options
bullish
into the
close on
20%.
the open.
See, this is what I'm saying, though, Ev. Ben hit the options because what he's doing is he's putting the VWAP there. He's short right here. I don't have to pull up his markup. He's short there. He's out there. That's it.
oh beauty. I like it.
It's beautiful.
It's interesting on Bookmap. You have a ton of sell icebergs that have come on. You had a couple big buying events that just got stuffed. The sellers just overwhelmed the buyers.
Interesting.
So I set mine to. Can I pull my screen up for a sec?
Of course.
So I set my volume dots to 50 trades. So 50 trades have to execute for the volume dot to fill. And you can see you have this one here. But what's interesting is you have this one here, price pulls lower. Again, you have another one here. But look at as these sell icebergs come on. And this one here keeps getting moved down. A 200 iceberg. And the seller just keeps, it's not even getting filled. It's actually getting moved down lower and lower. And then you see what I'm looking at is these volume events, these buy, let's call them big trades, whatever we want. On the buy side, and the seller is just overwhelming the buyer still and pushing price lower.
In that conversation of the big trades, Bruce and I are DMing this morning. I'm sending him a ton of stuff about deep charts and everything. He wants to build us a Bookmap indicator that does not require, hopefully, the MBO bundle that would give everyone that has any Bookmap access a big trades indicator. So if we bring that to Bookmap, dude, after one conversation, we the real G's, Randy. You the real
I'm
G.
glad we had that conversation with him yesterday because I think it's like
My eyes were glazing over. But
it was Evan. You should have seen it. I thought Austin was going to be like, "Fuck
you
my
put
life."
me
Like, what
and
am I
Josh
doing
on
sitting
there.
here? These
me
two
and Josh are
nerds.
just trying to do deals, bro. We're trying to make money. And then these
He
two
did
nerds,
warn-
Bruce and Randy, are like nerding out about, we could talk for hours about this. I'm like, oh, please cut my toes off. I will be
He
happier
did
that
warn you that. He warned you about that. I think when we were on the podcast, he said, "Yeah, I'm just gonna be sitting there on my phone." What are you guys talking about it? So he saw it coming.
But no, it's definitely an interesting conversation. So I'm playing around with some filters on my book map right now, and it's still a little noisy. Working on it, but we're getting there. Heading in the right direction. I'll tell you that.
We're getting there. Okay. I got this one marked up, everybody. So again, just on this trade, bounce off overnight VWAP. Stop was at session low. Closed it at 10. It's a great pop into the open. But more importantly, and this is a really advanced note that we'll definitely be saying more often. If I'm long pre-market, SPY gaps up. At the second that the market opens, this is so important, actually. It's crazy. This is blowing my mind. This is why trading into the open is so hard. Because if you're in a trade into the open on ES, and then SPY has this gap, and then of the gap, 20% of it is filled 80% of the time, as soon as the market opens, you're probably, if you're long in this case in ES futures, you're against an 80% probability. You're on a 20% trade now. So your higher probability VWAP bounce, whatever you would call the probability of this trade here pre-market, drastically decreases once market opens because SPY has to go fill that gap to the downside. Fuck, man, just blew my own fucking balls off. That's crazy. That's probably why we've been in trades pre-market, held them, and then get smoked. It's because SPY has that gap fill probability. Are you following that, Randy?
Yes. Yes, I am.
I mean, what's dropping us? Is it Apple down 8%?
It's got to be.
Amazon's up 13, Google 3, Nvidia's up, Meta's up, small, but like it's Apple's the only big loss that I see on the NAS.
Besant is talking, but I don't see. When did that headline come in? 622. So that was before the move higher. U.S. Treasury has informed banks that it may intervene in the yen market on Friday.
Yeah.
But that was just prior to open. But Besant's still talking.
Health is down.
No, Brandon, I haven't used the market.
What's my
pulse.
wife
I was
going to say
actually-
now, dude? Where's she going to be at when we're up money? Is she going to be like, what are you doing? No, she's not going to say nothing. She's going to be like, can I go to TJ Maxx? No, she don't even ask me. She's just going to be like, I'm going to TJ Maxx. I'm going to Nordstrom's.
I mean, it's better that she goes there than somewhere else.
Then Tiffany's.
Having to go to TJ Maxx is not bad.
No, you're right.
You got a Tiffany's in PA? One exists? You sure it's
Yeah,
not
dude.
like
We have a
it's a Bethany's?
No, dude, I'm in the country. It'd be like Tiffany Ann or Tiffany Lynn. It's like a two name. You know,
That's
it's
what I was like,
attractive
Bethany. I was
two
trying to
name,
think of
yeah.
like a country name, Beth Ann.
No, yeah, exactly. No, we have King of Prussia Mall out here, like not even an hour away. King of Prussia's got every designer store there. It's a beautiful mall.
I don't even know what that is. Sounds
It's like
Fugazi.
in Philly. It's one of the bigger mall areas for sure. And there's people in the chat that know what King of Prussia is. You're just an idiot. It's well known.
I just picture a mall and they're just talking like in country slang. Like, you like this Prada? I got some Burberry.
Shalu, we only post 2 weeks out on the schedule. Each week we'll add a week. So we only do 2 weeks ahead of the Nance.
But there's going to be a full month of streams. There's no reason to be off.
We
in
ain't
August
going
once there's
nowhere
any
unless
no holidays.
Randy croaks over, old people and shit. But like,
Does he need to see August 15th? I'll create August 15th just for him.
look at this slider, baby. Whoa. I'm glad I'm not holding my trade. Holy fuck. Amazon's up 14% though. Microsoft up too. So what? So is this the day where all the other stocks are red and the Mag 7 is green?
What is
Except Apple.
Your heat map looks crazy.
Now are we
nice,
going
Joseph.
for 50?
I don't know. Let's find
Why is
out.
your heat map like going into like an abyss?
Because I have it set so that it's grouped by the boxes are by market cap.
Oh. I just have the different sectors.
Yeah, so if you group it, turn off sector, I have it no group. Where it says sector, click no group, and then it'll go by market cap. Yeah.
I'm going to get some 741 puts.
Puts, we're putting
It's early, Randy. Remember that.
early, Randy. Relax.
You like to-
Amazon's up
you like to jump
15%.
'em.
You said you were going to do Amazon
You're
options
putting
today.
it. You're doing put
Putting it,
trades.
I'm shorting this, but I'm not shorting it in the futures market because I got nothing to short it off of. I'm basically selling the low, as Evan would say.
No, what are we doing?
Yeah,
We saw
Randy,
it
wait.
sink for
Just wait.
13 minutes, and now we're convinced of shorts.
I like calls, Randy.
You dropped on your head. I hope it worked for you.
Joseph in
Did anyone-
Chestnut Hill. What's up, buddy?
Maybe
Anyone
I
trying
fell
to
out of
double
bed this
break?
morning. Ev, you don't know that?
Double
Did
break,
anyone do a
double
double
break,
break?
double break. Wait, Randy, let's just play the music. Hold on. I got it. Ready? Simplify. Wait, no, this one. I like this one. This is my new jam. Come on, Randy. Calls, Randy, not puts. You meant calls. Come on, Randy.
New York v. Raleigh. Tick by tick, the values alive and thriving. Overnight VWAP cutting clean. Previous day mark, keep the levels keen. BOC.
Did you buy him, Randy? Did you buy the puts?
I'm buying calls, 746 calls.
Thank
Changed
you.
me. The music
hell.
swayed me.
That
I'm
was
risking
literally-
$615.
And if it goes, and if it
contract,
sucks lower,
746.
dude, and if the market, if this is this Black Monday, Black Friday crash, I'm sorry, but I don't think that's what's happening.
Yeah, so I just, like I said, I'm risking 615
That's good.
on
Yeah,
10
but it's
contracts,
not-
746 calls. So I'll sit in this and let's see what happens.
Well,
I wanna
dude, look at
sell it
Mike.
into something, not like sell it
Right.
and need new lows.
You were the one telling me this 50 is defense until broken. So 50 is defense until broken.
But I
Above
would,
that-
but look at his 25 points from here to 50.
No, I know.
That's good.
I know.
I have nowhere in the future side. I got nowhere to put a stop.
Nowhere to put a stop.
Like
Right.
I'm buying a
You could
low,
do
like
it.
selling the low.
Could do nothing. Wait.
I don't like to not do nothing
Yeah.
because that's going to put us right at previous days New York. And where were we yesterday? We were above that New York the whole freaking time. Austin would know firsthand.
Yep.
Because he was fighting.
No, but honestly, Randy, seeing that 74.50, which was resistance yesterday, it's now value area high. 18-point pull lower there. You don't have to get in the habit of chasing that. You can start to look at this and see, well, what is going to slow it potentially? You know what I mean?
Yeah. No, I hear you.
Because like you said, the time frame of that trade, the stop loss on that trade are very tough. And those two things, as much as the entry is easy, think of the buckets. Entry, click sell. Okay. What about trade management? What about the trail, the positioning of the stop loss?
Yeah, no, that's literally, like I said, like even
What if we
I
get a
have really
nasty
nothing.
double break coming back up? This is just a little pre-market, pre-open dump, right? We've seen that 30 minutes, 45 minutes sell off, then back higher, drift higher all Friday. You know what I'm saying? And look how it almost looks controlled. Look at just straight down. Once it stops, it'll be done.
well, we just took out 67 was overnight lows, right? Yeah.
Went
Was
back to previous days New York view up.
Yeah, and then Q, we still got a bit of room on ES to that.
Yep, that's value area high. 60.
Yeah.
55.
Purdy said, "Have you made a Fade Randy song yet?" Don't get
No.
Ben thinking about it.
No.
See, those orders at 50 came off. You still
No,
have
they're
them on
gone.
yours?
Yep. Nope. Gone. He's gone.
Gandhi.
So what does that tell us? He's getting out of the
They're
way,
doing
or it's done. It's done pulling people lower. Now it's going to come higher. That was the inducement block, trying to make everybody think it's coming down. Now it'll move higher, right?
News at
Let me
10.
figure
That's too soon to be pulled for that.
Put it anywhere. Oh, yeah, we got news actually. Consumer confidence here at 10 a.m. too.
Are you doubling down before the news?
No, I'm not doing anything.
I like Purdy.
Raphael,
He's
I'm
doing
not
good.
short NQ. We're not near any VWAP, so I'm just sitting.
Evan
and
doesn't
waiting.
know how to trade. He forgot how to trade. He's trading options
It's
only.
been
now.
so long.
I've been just slinging options.
It's been
Very
so
scalpy.
long. What calls were you looking at, Randy, and how much were they? What are they worth now?
746 calls. I bought them at 60 cents. Let's see here.
Back to high of day. Yeah.
Sorry, guys. Boomer Randy. They're worth $55. I bought them at 61 cents. They're down to. I bought them. I got filled at 58. Actually, they're down to 51.
My Vanquish are not loading.
I'm actually realized this Vanquish account. I traded smaller contract sizes, and I just find that like I'm up halfway to pass this eval, and I'm managing the losses much better. Like
For
I'm
sure.
not taking big losses. So
Well, position size. You can make the argument it's the whole battle.
So I was going before like 50 contracts. Now I'm just trying to stick to 10 and seeing how that goes. So
And even without the double break, I would still like to see this come back up towards VWAPs. Back into the
I'm looking at
into the middle of the
742
range.
calls.
yeah, with price slowing here, I would not want to get sucked into a short anyone. Don't get excited like I was.
I'm looking at 742 calls. They're $2, Randy. So I could buy like 10 of them, 15 of them. You know what I mean? Without getting too crazy.
$2,000 of risk.
Is that too crazy?
Yeah. Well, you got to multiply it by.
On an eval?
By 100.
No, I don't think it's too crazy. I'm just saying you're risking. I'm just speaking out loud what you're
No,
doing.
to be
the math for
$2,000.
you.
I know.
Math-
I got that math. Listen, I got that.
I'm your
math.
quant, bro.
I'm just glad you're not short. Jesus Christ. You like how I saved that, everybody? I like turned
Like
up the
it's-
music. I just start yelling. I'm like, no, like it's like a whole thing. It's like somebody get our boy, bro. It's literally like The Hangover. It's like you like let this guy loose. Somebody go get our guy.
He's like a dog chasing cars. It's like you
Right.
can't have it. You're not. You're
Yeah,
not
we
done.
don't. When you
No.
said
Indian
back.
Frogger. Remember,
Yeah,
Randy?
get
Remember
back
Frogger with the fucking
Yeah.
chasing the coin?
when you said you're glad I'm not short, I'm like I'm 6'4", motherfucker. In my head, I'm like laughing like that.
Right. No, you guys don't even realize when me and Randy hang out, we don't stand next to each other because his dick's on my fucking forehead all the time.
Oh man. I got when Ev's with me, it's better because Ev's at least
Yeah,
close
Ev's
to my
tall.
height.
That's tall.
Randy's tall.
He got them legs. Ev's got the legs.
Yeah, Jr. or Johan, that's why I got you, brother. You had my back yesterday when Austin was picking on me.
Oh,
He
stop.
wasn't picking on you.
I know. I just come on. It's called Rage Bait 101. You learn from the best.
I will pick on you if you don't stop. Did you guys watch those videos I sent of Ken Griffin last night?
Yeah.
That dude's a savage, bro. Like, I don't think we understand the level that guy is on. Like, I'm gonna just watch Ken Griffin videos all weekend.
Have you ever seen the movie The Accountant?
Of course.
You know when Ben Affleck's like in his bedroom, like beating himself with strobe lights and like the stick? I
Yeah.
picture Ken Griffin doing that when no one's around.
Psychopath billionaire shit.
Yeah.
Like he just looks so clean cut, but there's like behind the scenes, he's just. That's why I was laughing when I said it's like I picture him like the Northman,
Yeah.
like in the sweat lodge, like eating organs, like barking like a dog.
Yep. Yeah, Connor, the
That
post
is
was
a-
good.
that
Are we
was a
getting
second
15% on Amazon? Dude, Chris Camillo is probably rolling in the cash on his options right now, bro. On the Amazon. This is what he's been. Oh my God, look at that gap on the daily chart. It's near all-time highs. Look at that. It's off 2% off. Chris is going to be up millions of dollars today. That's amazing.
Who is this?
Chris Camillo.
It's right back where it was June 1st. Just ate up 2 months of price action in one gap. Impressive.
Wild.
So it's nice to see the sellers slow a little bit, not just continue to make new lows, as it's very tough to sustain the one directional move. See if the
I'm
news
still
can
flat.
pump you up here, Randy. I don't think it's the craziest of news, but
How much-
we'll see.
Randy, how much did you lose so far on the options?
$45.
Okay.
And I guess by the smaller contracts, Randy, like the cheaper, like is there also less decay or less visible? Like
It
you're not
feels
swinging
like
hundreds
it.
of dollars.
It feels like it.
Yeah, it's like only $40. When normally if you have more contracts on, that'd be like $200. But you look like you're at break even. So yeah, I think just less contracts, less risk, less decay.
Yeah, so the ones that are no, that wouldn't make sense. No, I don't think it's a big difference, like a percent. It seems like
No, just like visibly, like $40.
Yes.
That's fine.
yeah. So you don't obviously you're not eating it because it's not such a so many risking so much have so many contracts on, like compounded in that way. I think it's
Heard him doing 5 minis and added as move up. All right, Godspeed. See what the news does, if anything.
nothing, nada,
Yeah.
zilch.
65 maybe defending. Just watching that on my screen. 65 coming heavy.
Interesting. The CBD did build down here at the lows, guys. So something else that I watch when you have moved down, the CBD was sitting at 1200 and it's actually built up to 2800.
I'm curious if anybody can give me some input here, okay? So on Trade Syncer, I have top one, of course, Futures Elite, Lucid. I know from a little birdie that Alpha Futures is going to be back with their direct account on TradingView next week. So I plan on adding Alpha next week back into this as a fourth. And then I'm thinking I want to do at least one more with a fifth company with instant funded if possible. So I go on Prop Firm Match this morning and Blue Guardian catches my eye. So I'm curious in the chat, has anyone traded with the Blue Guardian prop firm before here? And specifically with their direct account, the 50K direct is only $370 if you use the code MATCH. I'm interested in this. I see Alex, teammate Alex is trading with them. So I'm curious, has anyone tried this? And if not, maybe you're somebody that's thinking the same thing as me. You're like, where do I go to find a firm with a good instant funded account? Here, you come into challenges. You can filter it right there where it says instant, turn off the one step. And now you see every firm that offers an instant funded account and the different instant fundeds they may offer. Even new firms, not just Top One Futures and Tradeify, Futures Elite. Day Traders, brand new firm. Aqua Futures, there's another one here I didn't even know. So for me, Prop Firm Match, this is why they're the go-to resource. You want to add to your copy trading, you want to add to your instant funded, here's the list. This is how you can figure it out. And then compare them very easily. So I'm looking at it. I got some Futures Elite already. I don't know if I like this company. I'm not sure what I've heard about them. So I'm just trying to figure it out. Yeah.
How do they have it filtered like in order?
This is filtered by, I'm not sure, but we can filter it by price, I believe. So the cheapest one is TOF in both cases right now. Top One Futures, Ignite, and regular instant funded are just by far the cheapest. GOAT funded, and then Futures Elite right there, $2 cheaper. I mean, look at what we're doing here, though, Randy. 271 versus 277 versus what are we talking about here? You know what I'm saying? We're talking about a couple dollars. It's kind of crazy. Yeah. And then you look at the more expensive stuff, like Blue Guardian's a little bit more expensive. So I'm like, okay, well, they have a DLL, which I don't love. So why would I pay more money for this right now? You know what I mean? Maybe I just wait for a bigger sale here, or maybe these sales from Top One Futures are kind of like so good it fucks up everything else. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
I think Blue Guardian's big in the Forex space, are they not?
They are. I think so.
Yeah, they got a big Forex presence.
Sucks you can only do 5 with Lucid. I would do more with Lucid.
You're going to support Lucid after they make fun of my people like that?
No, I won't, Randy. I'm sorry.
I'm just kidding. I bought some Lucid accounts, actually.
Just kidding, you faggot. I'm fucking buying them.
Oh, Anthony's saying it's static drawdown for Guardian. I got to look into these accounts.
Oh, so you shut your mouth. Are you kidding me? I missed that? Well, it's end of day, so it's not intraday, but it still has a DLL of 1250.
Yes.
Still, they got a bundle deal, though, at least. I mean, if you're going to rack them, you rack up 5 of them, you get a free one. It's about the same as TOF, a couple $100 more, $200 more. But these have DLL. I don't like DLL.
You want
Right,
to be able
Randy?
to do what you did yesterday?
Yes,
like-
Evan. Yes, get the fuck out of here, bro. I've been trading long enough. I want to be able to do what I want. If I'm
Guardrails.
torching it, I'm
Take the
torching it
handcuffs
myself.
off me.
He's making money. Let him be, Ev. Let
Thank
him
you,
be.
Randy.
Challenge
Thank you.
Purdy, nice. Purdy passed the challenge. I guess you were short. Then Raphael's asking you buying or selling NQ or ES. So I was just watching Futures 101 and 2.0, and you'll see what trades we're looking for that nothing's presented
We're
right now.
flat right
Randy's
now.
just in options.
Yeah.
There's no touches to view up, so there's nothing. And you'll see it on the screen if we're in a trade.
Yep.
Make sure you study that
Back
this
to value
weekend.
very high now. Okay, Randy, maybe the 50s, now that that big guy is off, now is that the sign that once the guy comes off, that it wants to fill? That's what we should be thinking about. So it's like the trade this morning, Randy, they were there and then they moved them up and then price moved away. They did not go off and they did not fill. But maybe if the orders come off, that's telling us that the guy's moving the gate and he's saying, okay, come.
Yeah, well, now you think it's just less resistance to get through, right? So what we were looking at as support with 1,200 orders there now has just turned into what's there, 200.
200
50
and they're
orders?
just gonna get, they're just going to get
Because this was that clear level. This is that clear level of resistance turn to support idea. And then,
Sure.
like I said, it's that HVL. So it's the gamma flips here to negative. And then when it's a negative gamma, you just get more explosive moves.
Right.
So you could see, again, we're trading previous days New York. Just below that, you got the start of week VWAP, which we got back above yesterday for the first time all week. And then just below that, you have previous days point of control.
Mm.
So if you look for a level for price to bounce,
Sandisk might
Sandick.
Sandick.
There's a racist joke in there somewhere about somebody.
Or-
Sandick.
They're flushed in too. They're only down 4%.
That's what they call
this
my
year.
my
Fill their gap.
Israeli people in the desert. My Jewish
So,
brothers
every-
out in the desert. Sandick.
So tech is coming lower. I mean, Apple is down almost 10%.
Micron's down 3 now. SpaceX is almost at 100, boys. That means we're halfway to our 50 and then halfway to our 30.
Good math.
damn.
Good math.
We're basically at zero. When you really
Randy,
math it.
sorry I talked you out of the short, buddy. I owe you money, okay? Even
Okay.
though it's not your trade
Okay, cool.
entering on a first break.
It's
of
not my
opening range.
trade. I'm working. I'm going to be looking into like getting in just maybe one separate eval account and looking at some of these like gamma plays and stuff. And
Yeah.
I'll work them in slowly. So I'm not mad at all. I didn't take the trade.
Yeah.
I just got to see it happen, like the reps, right? Just watch it happen 1,000 times. And
This person asked, do we read the chat? No, we don't read the YouTube chat once we're live for our members on ASFX TV. But I just read that because I wanted
You
to
just
tell
read that. That's the last one.
Guys, we're doing a bunch of top one futures giveaways. We're starting in 5 minutes. Please make sure you get your name on the giveaway. Evan's going to get it ready now. Last call. Last call. Last call.
You gotta think about like I don't care that it won. It's like if that were to lose, what are we saying about that short on a Friday at the end of the month?
yes.
So sucks that it won, but if it
What
would
did
have
I
lost,
say yesterday in when I put my markups in the chat in the BSC?
Zoxel.
I said common theme is I'm getting myself into trades where I'm just like fighting and they're like a battle. So it's like
Mhm.
I want to make easy money. I don't
Want
want
that
to
tough
fucking
money.
take these trades that are hard and I'm sitting in them. I'm getting mentally exhausted because even like yesterday, I had to take a call, so I got out of the trade, but it went straight to my TP after. But it's like I mismanaged it because the first trade, I mismanaged the first trade. So it's just like a what do you call it? Like snowball effect. So I'd rather just be flat.
Let's just click back to where Randy said, Austin, hold it until 25. Did you mean 74, 25? Because we're
Did you
closer
not
to
hear-
70.
Did you
Just
not
kidding,
hear me?
bro.
I
Just
said it
kidding,
was
bro.
a
It's a
test.
joke. It's a joke.
I
It's a
said
joke.
it was a test.
And I'm testing you now.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm joking.
Okay. Because I was about to lose my shit. Like
I
I'm trying
know.
to say, I'm trying to be calm right now, and you're
You're just counting on the
poking me.
money that I just cost you by not having you chase this momentum short that you never do well.
Sim money.
But
Counting
this
the
is
sim-
literally, everybody, we are in the 1 out of 10 moment. If 1 out of 10 times you chase opening range first break and it goes, and then that makes you think you got to do it every time. And then I got to sit here and pull up every day that it breaks opening range and comes back into the range. You know what I'm saying? And then there's this day that makes you all think you got to be chasing it and we missed money. Nah. Not for the way we trade.
Was it yesterday when it was
wanna
just moving higher? Same
you
thing
wanna
on
see
Monday when it
something
just
interesting?
sold off.
Show you something interesting, Austin. We talk about algos and whatnot.
Mhm.
2,793 orders filled here.
On POC. Wow.
Yeah, those weren't even on the book. That's how
Wow.
fast that iceberg showed up. 1,000 iceberg filled here.
Wow.
Like, so that's like large size. So I would just be mindful, like, chill out for a sec. Because we were saying where did those 1,200 orders go?
Now you're thinking exactly.
ADR low for both that were orders stacked. That's your forte, ADR, isn't it? Isn't that your jam?
ADR?
ADR? Oh, ATR, I'm thinking maybe.
Average true range? Don't talk to me about that. This ain't average.
Yeah, you had a big buy iceberg fill on NQ also. Interesting.
Nothing needs to be done here, everybody. We're going to get into our giveaways in just a few minutes, sponsored by Top One Futures. If you're watching on X, please make sure you sign up for ASFX TV. The prop giveaways are always for ASFX TV members. We'll give you 2-3 minutes to get signed up. It's free. And today is the last day that we are doing a 1-month free trial. Tomorrow, it's going back to a 7-day free trial. So if you want to sign up, today's a great day to do it. Otherwise, you're only going to get 7 days free instead of 30. And if you're listening to this and you're already on the 30-day free trial, no, it does not change for you. So I'm $200 away from break even on the live account. So I'm really, like, to me, that's almost a break even, so I'm really big on not forcing something down here. Come back next week, have a good week next week if I need to, and just take my payouts next week. I really tried to jam that Lucid 2K this week. You guys know I've been talking about it. And just, I think trying to jam it almost fucked me. Almost. Like, I'm still only $500 away from that 2K payout, but sometimes when you get close to it, you overthink it. Yeah, you overthink it.
Last home stretch.
Force it.
So I'm trying to balance that, like, of forcing it with just going slower and reminding myself to.
And you want to get that technically in July. Add that to your July. I don't think I've ever been so proud of the chat. We have no duplicate emails or names. Wow.
Yeah, well, yesterday you were like literally spazzing out yesterday about it. You scared everybody. They've never seen you so emotional ever.
Did you hit the cat after Ev? Did you beat up the cat? Take it out on the cat?
Dog.
Kick my dog. That brings back memories.
All right, so one more minute and I'm going to copy the list.
Okay.
1,000 orders just came on at 45.
I don't see those.
Yeah, see, that's where I'm starting to lean. I don't know if I love the trader map. I think for sure sometimes it gives you less noise, but you can see now with these absorption and icebergs when orders fill.
When I switch back to the regular, I see exactly what you see.
And even if there's algos, I think I want to know where the algos are moving orders around to manipulate people. Hopefully I'm not the one being manipulated. That's all. That's the key. Sean, isn't this your like second or third time watching Obsession? I swear you've brought this movie up multiple times. I've never seen it. I know Austin said he saw it.
My friend told me to watch that. Is that a horror comedy thing?
Horror comedy. I think it's just a horror movie.
I got Odyssey tickets 3 weeks from now in IMAX 70.
Damn. I got to get those tickets before we leave. I should look into that. It's going to be too late.
Yeah, so I know there were some questions about the new TOF live account that I'm getting. They had the rules posted on the website, but I'm still unclear about what they're doing with me. So I'm not going to speak about it too much. I will, of course, show you guys and update you, whatever they're doing. I think I'm getting moved from this 10K account into whatever they call a 150K live account now with the new program. But it's going to be different. I'm not going to be able to take daily payouts until I build a buffer in it, where now I can take daily payouts just from the starting balance. So they're making it a little bit trickier, which is probably reasonable. But then on the upside, you're able to get 5 live accounts now and copy trade 5 together. So I'm interested to see how this goes. It's the same thing Lucid and Tradeify are doing. It's weird.
That's crazy. Time to replace Evan. Snow Prince has forgotten how to trade. Oh, don't say that.
Pull up your bank account right now.
Attaboy, Evan. You fucking tell him.
Want to do motorcycles today? I think I still want to do horses. Motorcycles look odd.
Camels. It's Camel Friday, bro. Look, I'm in my
All right.
camel outfit. I look like a proper.
Got
Mark,
Big
I would
Logan in the chat, Austin.
Yeah, he's here. He's here.
He's in the giveaway.
Mark, I would try the Top One Futures Ignite. They're cheap. They're instant funded.
All right, 220 people. Beautiful.
Okay. We'll do one right now, then we'll wait and we'll do more as the stream goes on. So let's do one whenever you're ready.
All right, yeah.
First Ignite account.
This looks stupid. All righty.
Let's go.
Need some like
I'm taking Patel.
Arabian
That's all I
music.
gotta say.
Here we
Patel,
go.
let's do it,
I
baby.
always turn
I
off
got
the
some
music for me. Curious what it
Here you
sounds
go.
like.
This music could be.
Do you hear it?
Oh yeah, I hear it, baby. Look at me. Of course I hear
No,
it.
they hear my music, Ev. They don't hear your music. I'm playing our Sunset Zanzibar playlist from
Oh,
YouTube.
so that's why I was like, it's fitting. That's why I
it's
thought
very
it was the
fitting.
music. Oh, who's coming out of the back? Oh, Samuel, let's go, Samuel.
Samuel.
Hey,
baby.
big dog.
I
Nice,
was just
Sam.
talking to
You
him yesterday.
deserve that, buddy. Good. We'll give that to you, Sam. Mike, close. Earl, close. Good job, boys. Good job. First giveaway of the day is out the window. Very nice for Samuel.
Those are
Oh.
some slow ass
Chagui.
camels.
That's a
Slow.
good camel there, Sammy. You were having duck issues. I'm glad you upgraded to the camel.
Let's
Sam,
go.
first one. Ignite account out the door.
You needed an animal with 4 legs. You're not a good swimmer, but you could run.
Sam, make sure you shoot me an email or just message me on Discord. I need your full name, where you are, and email, please. Country of location.
Yeah, congrats, Samuel. Finally. Yeah, stick around long enough. Hopefully everyone gets to win at least once.
What are we doing here with the options, Randy?
I'm still in it. I'm down for
Okay.
25.
Okay.
I'm not. I'm risking $600. I'll ride or die on this one.
Well, hopefully this will slow down a little bit in your POC and come back up for you.
Yeah.
That these orders now heavy or above. Charlie, this is my second month and I've taken a payout with the VWAP strat, and being here has made me more patient in my trades. Charlie, you're the man, buddy. If you could, Charlie, please leave us a review on Trustpilot. Anyone that's here and has not left us a review, if you enjoyed it this week, if you had a good month with us, please go leave us a review on Trustpilot. I put the link in the chat.
Cash giveaway in a couple
Yes.
months.
Yeah, big cash giveaway. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, everybody, look,
Let's see it.
it's not ghetto. It's a little smashed up on the pen box, but it's probably because it fell off the back of a truck wherever the TikTok people that I bought it from stole it from. But look, when you open the box, it's an iPad 7, so it's not the newest one. So let's calm down. That's why it was cheap. Okay. So it's
Okay.
iPad 7. Like it still has
How
a
many are
button
there?
in this box. How many iPads? One. What
No,
kind of
like
question
what?
is it?
7, like out of 8, 9.
I don't know. I think we're on iPad 12.
Okay.
So I think what we'll do, this is my plan, everybody. I'd like to give this away when we do the sale for the indicator. We're going to drop a big sale for the VTC indicator when the update is ready. Once that drops, I think anyone that upgrades, this is what I'm thinking. I don't know if I'm definitely doing it. Anyone that upgrades to lifetime with the VTC indicator, that would enter you in winning this. And then I'll ship this to one person that upgrades to lifetime over the course of like a week when the sale is running. Something like that. Because then they're spending more money to upgrade. They'll spend a couple $100 to upgrade for lifetime for the indicator. And then they get the iPad and the pen. So we'll do that. And then I think what we're also going to do, Randy and I were talking about this yesterday. It was after 4 p.m. So Evan was not a part of the conversation. You know, he doesn't work after 4 o'clock. But we were talking yesterday and we were saying how maybe we'll have a day of the month where if you buy prop accounts with our discount code on a certain day of the month, it enters you to get a cash giveaway from us, like a rebate kind of thing. I'm not going to start a whole fucking rebate company like Brian Stonk and all those little fuckers, but I know you guys love cash. So to me, it's like if we could do something where it's like, hey, everybody, buy on this Friday. This is a big sale. It's a great deal. If we feel like it's a good deal, then if someone buys that day, we could throw a giveaway just for people that buy, you know? So
I like it.
Entertaining other ideas to get you guys as much cash back as possible, as also saving you money in the same time, you know?
Imagine
Sean, I
you could
think
trade that new account on your new iPad. Like, bam.
Bang. Yo, how much are we selling Lifetime for on the sale, did we say? It's $100 a month. I think we're doing 700 or something for the Lifetime, I think. It might be,
$7.99.
it's $7.99 or $6.99, I think, Sean. Should be, it'll say, I mean, it's going to be a good deal, especially if you're paying $100 a month. It doesn't make sense to keep doing that. We have never even offered a Lifetime on it before. You know what I mean? Usually it's just monthly or yearly. So that's why we had a meeting. We are doing this update. We're like, we should offer, you know, Chris Drysdale is one of the guys we've kind of followed with this. He's got a really big community that uses his indicator, and he offers Lifetime. So we'll follow.
Well, I
Yeah,
think
Sean
you can
said
see
that's a
now with everybody making money in the chat, the kind of community that we got in our chat. Like, you look at the ROI on Lifetime. I'm all about trying to get the best, obviously, ROI. It's and if
Brother,
you
we're
can
about to
afford
buy
it and you're using it,
$1,300. You're about to buy a 5-pack of Instant Fund. It's for $1,100, and then the indicator for life is $700.
yes,
Yeah,
exactly.
I would have loved to buy a Lifetime Trading View 5 years ago. But
Yeah.
it wasn't.
That wasn't a thing. They know better.
Yeah.
So would
I
you
do
guys
the
be mad at
yearly.
me if I bought it down here?
I wouldn't hate it, Randy, but
I'm not mad at
it's
you.
Friday, so if you do it with something, just do it small, because this will roll you. You know it'll roll you, and definitely
for
don't
sure.
move the stop. I think Austin, if he buys it here, he'll move the stop like I did yesterday and get smoked. So be small, but don't move the stop if you want to do it, because it takes inducement from these two heat blocks above you. That's what's making you think it's going to go fill. But if they aren't real and they dump, it's going to slide, right? Because I'm looking at it 55 and 60. They're right on the 55, right on the 60. So are they a distraction or do they want to fill? And then
Yeah, so let's
according
see
to
how
this new theory, if it stays on, Randy, it's a distraction when they do that. If it comes off, then they want to go there. That's what I'm thinking, maybe. You feel me?
So I haven't taken the trade. I want to see us get back above the start of week and
Yeah, wait for a good close. But you get what I'm saying there? If this
Yeah,
stays
no,
there and it falls away, that's the distraction. If it comes off, maybe it goes and fills like it did for the short.
sell that beige.
You're also on PLC. That's pretty good. And I just wouldn't want to like predict a sell off on a Friday. Back to
Well, if
yesterday's
you
low.
look, and NQ being the stronger of the three today, NQ held its POC nicely. It's trading back up to previous days New York.
Yeah, it could still be a higher low, even though it's like technically beneath previous days New York. 10 minutes later, it's above it. It's a hold. So not actually bearish trend. This is. I don't think anyone's.
I'm
still
long
looking-
one micro, guys. I got a 27-point stop, so I'm basically risking $150 on this trade.
That's 27 points. Wow. Volatile
27
today.
points on one micros, 140,
No, that distance
$135.
doesn't look 27 points.
Oh,
Yeah, I guess it's been moving pretty well today. 100 points already. 90.
yeah, almost 100 down to my stop.
Yeah.
55 gone.
Yeah, I seen that.
Okay, so theory, Randy, follow me. Theory. If they stay on, it's a distraction. Now that they're gone, maybe it goes through, but there's still the block above at 60.
Well, I want to see now when we hit those levels too. Now we know 55 and 60 were those big blocks, but look at it almost moved from 55 to 60. Like there was already a big block there. Let's go back and look here. Yeah, so there was 862. So another quarter of these orders moved up from 55 to 60. See how it went from 862 to 1,000?
Yeah.
You know when you say yeah like that, I know you're not paying attention, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
I heard you, Bo.
I know you heard me. You can multitask. I'll give you that. You're good.
But you can try to roast me. It's good. The chat needs to hear that you give some pushback too. They don't know how you treat me when we're off stream. It's the complete opposite, everybody. He's the biggest asshole, and I'm the one that's always apologizing and nice. This is just all an act.
You guys have no idea. Riley will like text me and be like, "What did you say to Austin today?" Like he's just like he hasn't come out of his office, and I can hear tears. And I'm like, Riley, I didn't say anything to him. He's fine.
Oh, dude.
Like,
Yesterday, Randy calls me at 7:00 last night, and like I got to put the kid to bed. I got a pregnant wife about to pop, and she's giving me this stink eye. And Randy's like, "Yeah, so like, what's up? What's up? No, not much. No, it's good. It's good." And I'm like, "Shut up, Randy. Gotta go. I'm gonna die."
you started
up?
the
How's your day?
conversation.
Just calling and tell you I miss you. That's all. Can't wait to see you in the morning.
He called me to say goodnight.
Have you seen those videos?
Yeah, we should. I was gonna do that on stream one day and prank Randy and call him and just like fuck with him, be like,
Just want to
like
say good
film it.
morning. I know it's
Yeah.
early there for you. I just want to say good morning.
Are you okay? So you're in it now. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you get a cell volume ball there where it marked a 95 green arrow up. What does that mean?
So basically that cell volume ball, I have it set to 50. So 50 orders got filled there and 95 got absorbed on. So a buyer stepped in, absorbed 95 orders at that level. Right. So when you see it above in the purple here, that's sellers absorbing buyers.
Okay.
So when you see a lot of absorption and you see price stall, you would think it's going to reverse.
Because the buyers are being absorbed there by him.
Yes,
it's
and
buy
vice
volume
versa.
Right, right.
So here again, now this is we're just like you and I are playing with these trade amounts. I got mine set at 50. Yours is 15.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to find out what that sweet spot is.
Do you think, like, when you think of absorption, what do you think of? I think of like the Blob. You remember the Blob movie?
I thought you were asking me like a technical smart question.
What?
Not the fucking blob.
On a
Well,
Friday?
the Blob, dude. You
Feeling
don't remember? That
smart
was like-
over here,
that
and you're
movie
talking
freaked-
about the blob, the movie.
You know, I always think about how crazy it is people get scammed by like fake accounts. But then I remember that back in the day, people thought an alien invasion was happening because they had War of the Worlds on the radio. Remember that, Randy? You know that
Yes.
story?
Yes,
Isn't that crazy?
yes.
That's how stupid people were back in the day. No,
Speaking
I mean,
of-
nuts. I'd be the first one convinced. I'd have a tinfoil hat on. We'd be listening to the radio. I'd be getting my guns. I'd be like, they're here.
Speaking of War of the Worlds, the one they did with Tom Cruise really scared me.
Yeah, that was a really good movie.
Yeah, that was a fucking scary movie. Like I'm like,
Yeah.
shit, that could happen. Like we're fucked.
That movie was crazy for when it came out, too. I saw somebody said yesterday, I don't know if I agree with this, 1994 is the greatest year of movies because of like Forrest Gump, Shawshank Redemption. Like they say 94 is the best year of movies. I don't think so, but that's what somebody was saying.
Maybe. I know the 90s, it's a blanket statement. The 90s had the best movies.
Well, weren't you conceived in the 90s? What are you, 98?
No,
or
I-
So like
99?
80s, 80s have,
Right
I
after
really
that.
do like old movies as opposed to like 2010s. It's just way different.
Well, back in the 80s, they made real movies because everybody was on coke. The actors, the
the-
producers, the
fellas
filmmakers, the
was
camera guy,
1990s.
everybody's coked out. So the movies are sick. Everybody's shooting each other, the fight scenes, the hair.
Let's see what we're working with. That's movies of 1994.
So see, I have a volume ball coming in because mine is also set different than yours, Randy.
Yeah.
It's not just filtered to 15, but I have mine on in the settings of it where it says clustering, I have it clustered by volume.
Yeah, and I think mine's done by Delta.
Yours is probably done smart. Click on the volume ball. Yeah, right there. Yeah, yours is probably smart.
Yeah.
I'll change mine.
Why
back.
did you change it to volume?
Because I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm trying everything.
Because I think you want volume. I should actually look into what the.
Then I'm talking to Bruce this morning, and I asked Claude, what does Bookmap have that's similar to the deep charts, deep trades? And Bruce is arguing with me through Claude, like arguing to me about what Claude said. He's like, Claude's way wrong. It doesn't know. I'm like, okay, I'm that's why I'm showing it to you, bro. Claude says Bookmap has nothing like that, and I don't think that's true, right? And he's like, no, we have it. It's just a little more complicated. I'm like,
Yeah,
right,
see, no,
that's
but
the
I think
issue.
unfortunately there's a lot of stubbornness in that conversation. Even yesterday, like it's going to take some walls we got to break down.
Well, no, he
like
said
some-
he's working on the indicator, so go, let him cook.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. I just think when you consume, and Bookmap has so much information, when you've consumed it as long as he has,
Yeah.
it's hard, right? To be like,
It's like
No,
you're
but
talking
it
to
is
like
this.
a guy that's been in like a library his whole life. He's never come out. You know what I mean? He's just read all the books.
But that's when I said to him, why can't we just take the big trades in Bookmap, the large lot order? The
I think they're too
Audible?
nice. The whole thing, it's like funny. If Addis and all these companies steal their heat map, go steal their features. Like y'all are stealing from each other. Everyone's stealing from stealing. Just steal. What the fuck? No one's
So
clearly owning. No one owns the IP on this, so that's why they're stealing it. Your
Those
orders
orders
are
got
gone now.
moved up from 60 to 65.
I see them. Yep.
So I've seen it where the bottom where they move orders up is price pushes higher.
Yeah.
And it actually like pushes price higher because you can't, obviously the sellers can't sell back into those orders.
Yeah.
So I'm curious to see now if we start paying attention what happens when it's going above. Like, are they thinking, okay, we're not going to be able to defend 60, let's try 65 and see if these buyers are going to run out of, get exhausted by the time they hit 65.
Trader Map Lite has none of that.
And Q looks good. Finally, a breath off the POC. This, if it bounces higher towards overnight again, this is all still a hold of previous days in New York, even though it dipped below. It's like, where is that higher low from yesterday going to form, since there's really nothing to catch it? So this would be a good level to
My
catch a
order's
breath.
at
How's
60.
YM look today? Same thing.
So I was down 415. I'm at 350 now on the options play. Miles is getting chocolate chip pancakes right now. It's Friday. This house just
nice.
smells amazing, and I'm sitting here.
Nice.
Like,
Yeah,
I need
you don't get no food. You're a slave. Sit down. Don't even think about it. Okay,
Oh,
no. You think twice, buddy. No, I don't think so. Especially with 2 trades on, you calm down. The pancakes can wait.
Well, I want to go get a coffee, but I'm not even going to do that. I put in my order, and I'm
You
not
lose
even
this
getting a
trade, you get
response.
no pancakes.
You know when you pull up to the drive-through and you wait for the person to talk back to you, and there's no one there. You're like,
I
"Hello,
hate that.
hello."
Hello.
I'm
No,
on my
the
phone. I'm
worst is-
texting Hillary. I'm like, "Hello, where are you? Hello."
The thing is, now they have the automated thing. So you pull up and then something talks to you. It's like an automated, and you're like, oh, yeah, I'm good. And then a regular person comes on and goes, hello, can I take your order? You know what I'm saying? Hate that too.
You know what's crazy here? McDonald's, you have like an app now, and they ask you at the beginning, like manually, if you're collecting points. And I'm just like, they
Right.
couldn't figure this, like how to automate this shit. Like somebody's got to ask you if you're collecting points. Shaw, every time that Algo moves 1,000 lots, 5 points, that another $250,000 if it ever gets filled. Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe they're scared. Maybe they think they're trying to intimidate the buyers right now. And they're like, oh shit, we got to move it up.
65 is right on New York VWAP.
But what I would want to see is, Austin, I'd want to see something already building at New York VWAP prior to that moving up to 65. I'd want to see like,
I'm going to take a small short here off the value area in the New York VWAP. I'm not trying to fade you. I think you could
no,
still
it's all
make
good.
money.
Bro, I'm in 1 micro. I'll sit in this all the way back down.
And I'm only in 2, and I'm up on the day already, and I can't make more than 600 on these directs, and I'm up 400. So I only need $200. I just need a retest of POC, basically, not a big move down.
You can pull your screen up. I'm gonna go out and get upset here with the barista.
Okay.
If everyone's asking about the double break, it would look similar to yesterday, but inverse of very
Yeah,
far
even
outside
worse,
the
though.
range. VWAP's outside the range. The entry would be outside the range. So I'm not looking for the double break long, if this even does
No,
get
I'm-
back above VWAPs.
I'm short here.
It's a nice pullback.
And it's close enough to New York VWAP.
VWAP stop loss above to let it hold.
Yeah, see no issues on this one. It's in everything on 2.
Well, your first trade today did too, right?
Yeah, today was fine. It was just the add-in yesterday in the afternoon that got weird. It was strange. I do have orders up at 74.92, which would be a big move up, all the way back up.
Yeah. Right in the middle of where we were all overnight, where you were originally long.
Heat map is very red too.
Amazon 15 now.
Yeah, but that's it. Literally, that's it. Everything
That
else,
is
like
it.
Google's only up 4.
And Apple's
AMD's
down 9, but it hasn't moved anywhere. Just
No, it's the gap.
9.
Yeah, it's last night.
Because yeah, Meta's up, Google's up, like gap and continuing higher.
Do you want to hear some old man shit, everybody?
Yeah.
I have, because we sit at the desk all day and I don't stretch enough, I have like tight hips, and I'm pretty sure, like, I know I'm having pain in my heel, in my right foot. Not pain where I'm bitching about it, but I feel it. It's like pins and needles. And chat's telling me it's nerve pain from my sciatic nerve, from my tight ass and my tight hips and my tight hamstring and my tight calves. It comes all down through the leg. And I feel it when I bend over and like flex my hamstrings and flex to like sit down or pick something up. And it's a crazy, crazy thing. Because it's not muscular. Like, it doesn't feel like a torn muscle.
A year ago?
Yeah, I fucked up my ankle. That was the other ankle. That was bad.
There was like weird pain in that too.
Yeah, that one was bad though. That I rolled that one, and that was swollen for a while. Yeah.
Playing pickup hoops.
Yeah, we'll go with that. That's why I've been trying to stand so much. I've even been thinking about getting the fucking walking pad so I can get more steps in up
I
here.
like that thing you had when I visited your place. You had that wood triangle to do your calves and
Yeah,
heels
broke that.
How the fuck do you break a piece of wood?
I was on it with a kettlebell doing squats with a fucking 50-pound kettlebell.
Right
and
through
it broke right underneath me. Yeah, it snapped.
So it can't withstand a 300-pound man, you're saying? Okay, good to know. Yeah, that shit was tight.
Right side. I need, what's nerve flossing, Scott? See, give me some tips here. Because I asked Chat what to do. Chat just said stop being a pussy because I programmed it to tell me to stop being a pussy. So Chat didn't actually give me any medical advice. Just said stop being gay.
It's valid.
I know. I got to get back
into
into
my
my
yoga. You
yoga.
give them, and they're just returning the favor. Got to appreciate that.
Yeah, it's true.
Are you talking about walking pad? I was talking about getting one also.
Yeah, I was talking about it.
I'm just worried that I'm like on stream, like I'm not like paying attention and I bail or something. Like,
Oh, dude. So if we both get it, it doubles the odds that one of us eats shit.
Yeah,
You just
like
disappear.
for sure.
Whoa! Smack.
For sure, one of us is gonna bail, like just lose our footing, like in a trade or something. Be like, oh fuck.
Oh, fuck.
Was that the
Slip and
walking treadmill thing underneath
Yeah.
the desk?
Yeah, I was really thinking about getting one yesterday because I need to get more steps in for sure. I never have enough steps.
die. Randy, you exiting now at New York VWAP, or what are you doing?
No, I'm sitting in this trade. I'm trading this back up to the highs.
Wow.
What?
It's Friday, bro. Feeling good.
Okay.
Yeah,
Nothing crazy going on in the market. No big news came out. We had good positive news yesterday. We tagged into POC on NQ and ES. So 80% chance that we tagged into POC, and we did. We're sitting above that gamma level. We're back above 450 on ES.
Do you know what the Art of Living Center is, Randy? Because you're Indian.
I think my mom might do the Art of Living. She does one of them, something. Art
Yeah,
of something.
they have one in North Carolina. The school that I got my yoga teacher certification at, it's like super close with those people. They go there every year. It's funny that what's his face in the chat just mentioned that. It's a cool place. It's honestly probably something we should be doing, considering we're plugged in all year, never stopping, technology, tick, 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 above the shoulders mustard shit, Probably they do like silent retreats there for like 5 days, 10 days. I definitely would lose my mind. I'd come back very different. If you had no technology for 5 or 10 days, I'd be fucked up, dude. I'd have serious withdrawal issues, I think. But it'd be good. Like, I probably need it.
Well, speaking of all this, like just talking about like that, like I was listening to doing my breathwork this morning, and I like tapped my headphones by accident, and it skipped to the next one, and it was like this Joe Dispenza. Do you know who that is?
Spencer,
Austin?
yeah.
It's one of his videos, and man, like the first 10 minutes I listened to it was like, I don't know, it just moved me in such a way.
He has that impact on people. People love him.
Understanding, like he just talks about like, how we force to like forgive. He's like when you get to a good place and you're coming from a good place, you just forgive naturally. Like it's
Right.
not you're forcing to get over things. It just starts happening. And I was
His
like,
book is called Supernatural. I have it in the library. It's interesting.
man, it was really emotional. I'm like not even being funny about it. Like
Yeah,
it really
no, it
moved me
is.
this morning, and it
Yeah.
was put me in a good mind frame to come into the morning. So felt good.
Good. Yeah.
Nerve flossing. Never heard of that.
I also wonder, like, has all of my sauna use being in there every day, is that irritating the sciatic nerve more and making me more inflamed? And then is that making the pain worse? You know what I mean? So I'm aware of all the things. I'm even thinking about what am I eating lately that's maybe making me more inflamed. I don't know.
Imagine they told you had to stop saunaing for a week. You one crabby fella.
I mean, I listen. I was in a sauna deprivation for a while until I built it and got it all done here, bro. So I can last on that.
True.
But is that even a thing? Like I've listened to lots of stuff on sauna. No one ever said a con of sauna would be like inflammation.
Oh no, I mean, think about it. You're heating everything up. Everything is inflamed. So like if you, it's the opposite of icing. You know what I'm saying? Where ice would constrict everything. You definitely are inflaming yourself in the sauna a little bit.
Well, then maybe you should try hot cold. Put a little thing outside there.
Yeah, red light therapy. I'm working on getting a really Nicholas. If you got a good red light company and you like your red light, I know some of them are scammy. I'll take a recommendation. Yeah, I mean, sitting is the worst thing possible. Probably, the body's just not meant to be sitting. So it's like that's step one. I think is avoiding the sitting if we're here all day. So
I'm standing right now. So are you? And I think all three of us now are standing.
Yeah.
Yeah, Peter, I'm trying to get him to cold plunge, but
I'm not buying the tub. All right, I got a cold hose. The water's freezing.
So do that. Then.
I do it every day.
Hang the hose up from underneath the rafters outside the sauna when you walk out. Turn the hose on.
That's what I do. What do you think I'm? That's exactly what I'm doing, bro. But like,
They even have like those tiny portable ones that, not portable, but like those need like the big metal ones.
I'm not getting the bucket though because it gets cold here, so I'm not doing that. When it's cold here, I'm not getting in that tub, so I'm not buying anything.
Yes, you are. Do the uncomfortable thing.
No. At some point, I'm gonna say no, dude. No.
You wipe the snow off it in the morning. You see your breath. You're like, I want to get cold right now. Let me get in that.
It's a bunch of fucking bullshit. Because honestly, I shiver like crazy. So like it would not look cool for me to film it and do it. Like, I can't control how bad I shiver, and I hate it. Like I'm an island boy, bro. I'm not.
Don't film it, but fucking do it for your health.
No.
Austin,
there's mixed reviews on the whole cold. Listen, the cold plunge thing is new and trendy. We were living fine before cold plunges, so relax.
Tell that to the Icelandikers or whatever they are, the Swedes.
Oh, I know.
Did those orders fill at 65 on your side? Did you get a volume ball?
I'm on the light.
Yeah. Did you get a volume ball though? Nothing.
Yeah, green.
Okay.
Small green.
Because here you can see. Oh, you can't see mine. On mine, 1,500 orders got absorbed at 65, and then you had this is what's called a buy side sweep. I'm still starting to like try to understand this, but this is like buyers push through this price level very aggressively here. But again, I'd want to see a faster move up, and you're not. It's very like slow moving here, so I don't love it. Like you're getting these big events, and you're not seeing like a big spike up.
Nick, that's what I was thinking about doing too. Because when I sit back, I definitely can notice. It's funny you said that.
Nice
but anyway,
recliner.
just stop with the fucking cold plunge. Like it's fine. I'm getting cold exposure for 4 to 5 minutes afterwards, but I'm not sitting in the tub. It's fine. It's enough.
We're trying to help you, man. Like don't get upset.
I don't believe it.
We just don't want you to have sciatica back pain. Like we want you to be happy.
I think that this is going to hurt people's feelings, but I don't fucking care. I think people started cold plunging because they think it's hard and they think it's making them look cool because they're doing something hard. Where I look at it, you're getting in a tub of water. It's about as childish, feminine as possible. So you're bragging about getting into a puddle of water when I'm bragging about getting into a sauna for 45 minutes at almost 200 degrees. Who's tougher?
I'm just saying. No one's bragging anything. We're just trying to help
they
you.
always brag. You didn't
Take
do
the
your
emotions out of it, bro. We're trying to help you.
They go, oh, it's not a cold plunge unless you film it. You're bragging. They all do it to brag. It's not a cold plunge unless you film it. It's bragging. It's a bunch of fucking fugazi. Then you look at like running, for example, which is very strenuous and very difficult. That I think has health benefits. But at the same time, running can hurt you, right? It can fuck up your knees. So there's pros and cons to everything. And if my body don't like the cold plunge, Randy, I'm not getting the fucking tub. Okay, bro? I'm just not getting the fucking tub. Listen, dude, they tried to put me in ovens in the 40s and the 50s. We didn't like the ovens. And now we don't fucking like the tubs, bro. Okay?
Well, you go in 250 degrees anyway.
I do like the oven. You're right. There's a Jew joke in that for sure, dude. Like I like the oven because my ancestors got Hitler fucked them, you know, like for sure there's a Jew joke in me liking the sauna. But I don't know why I don't like the cold plunge. I just don't.
You savage, broski. You savage.
I make fun of everybody, bro. If people don't know by now, everyone's going to get it, including myself. So we do another giveaway? Speaking of.
Sure. Yeah, NQ hasn't fully
Giveaway.
Let's do some food. Are you good? It's a pain in the ass to change it up. It's not easy.
Yeah, you'd have to re-up it.
Okay. Let's just do countless. We're good. We good, broski.
The food one, we did do that once, right?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Let's just we have access to all these things, and we're just like, let's get out of our comfort zone. Like just picking camels and horses.
Tell me
I'm
how
trying to
you
get the most money out of your premium subscription you had to buy to
Yeah.
get this.
So let's put us underneath Tony. Seems like a good spot. Clean that up.
Come on already. Let's go. Where's your stop on your
room.
short off? Oh yeah, nice. Lamborghini for everyone.
All right, let's run another one.
Let's go. This is from Top One Futures, everybody. Again, 60% off
Sure.
right now if you bundle 5. Take advantage. Code ASFX. All of their accounts are 55% off, but you get the 60% off if you bundle 5.
Is it gonna be Scott? Is it gonna be Scotty?
I'm
want
gonna
some
guess
lead
no,
changes.
unfortunately.
I want like a photo finish. I don't even know who's winning.
Oh,
Can't see half the cars. More than half.
Lauren T. Oh, who's it? Daddy
Who's from-
trades? Danny? Diddy trades?
Who is it?
Dirty.
Dirty.
Dirty. Oh, Dirty.
Nice.
That's our boy Dirty.
Dirty, make sure you shoot me an email, okay? info@asfx.biz, or make sure you shoot me a DM on Discord. Michelle was close.
I gotta say, Austin, the community is getting like strong, like the ASFX chat, because I'm seeing a lot of the same, like the names you recognize when you see these races.
Yeah.
You know everybody in the race.
Well, they just want free shit, Randy.
I did. Come on, man. I'm having a moment connecting with the family here, and you're just kicking us when we're down. Look at the YouTube chat's got it down good. Like this is Unk saying broski is wild. This is what people tune in to see. Me say broski. Oh,
Can't believe they just said that to you, bro.
It's true. Who said that?
You guys have no idea, bro. Randy is not an unk, bro. Randy is a grandpa. It's even more impressive.
Kobe's in the double break. DeAndre, the link was sent many, many times at the beginning of the stream. You already ran a giveaway. Be on time or lose out.
Yeah, sorry, buddy. More next week. Many more next week. Yeah, I think everyone's really been loving the extended streams. Today is the only day of the week that we don't do the extended stream till 12 o'clock, because usually, like today, green before 12, be done. Green before 11, hopefully, be done. So if you're up today, take it, walk it, enjoy it. If you're not, hopefully you're still having a good week and a good month, and you can come into next week, starting August, with a really clean head, clean slate. Hopefully some good lessons from this month too. I'm in drawdown on this, Randy, so you should be, you look good on this. I'm still not even halfway giving back the gains from the trade this morning, so I'm good. My stop's at 84 right now. Just above opening range. Could come back down.
now the decay, Ev, on my options is starting to feel
Look
it.
at now. It's been a while.
I'm minus 300, but I was minus 415 at the bottom.
Mm.
You know what I mean? So I would expect there to be like a minus 250 or something. So it's like obviously the decay starting to kick in.
Yeah.
I like being back on the 1 and 2 minute though. I'll tell you that.
Welcome back.
Yeah, took me a minute. No pun intended.
No pun taken.
You could call me a Punjab. What was that?
Yes.
Evan just straight up admits it. Yes, I did.
Any thoughts on 25K Ignite versus 50? I think the 25K sounds on. Matt, for us, we like the 50, but if you're asking that question, bro, go with the 25. Save
Yeah.
yourself the
25, you
bills.
stand to make like $500, and if that's what you want to
Yeah,
stand
but
to
you're
make,
spending
go for that.
80. It's just listen, Richie Rich, $500 might be a lot. I don't know where Matt is. He could be in fucking Guadalupe. You know what I'm saying? So like, relax. Okay. He's buying a 25K.
Matt.
He's going to spend 90 or 80 or 70, whatever it is. And the flip is still 5X.
I'm copy trading 50Ks right now.
Sorry, Matt. My friend is too royalty for us.
I know Matt.
Didn't you
has
watch
that
Tanner's
money.
video yesterday about the $20 in your pocket?
Yeah, that was such bullshit. That was such a lie.
You should comment on it, bro, next time and be
He
like,
put that money in
"Did
his
you-
pocket. He put it
did
in
you
there.
just
and
say
said, okay.
you're not a gambler? Cut to the reel of him at the slot machine
That was
slamming it.
insane. It's like, and I'm not a big gambler. I'm like, what? Cue the music.
Cue the music.
Call me a lot of things. Gambler being one of them.
You're like, I'm not a big gambler. Cut.
Cut.
Pause.
Let's go. He's made a reel about his.
I'm a huge gambler.
I'm not a big one. I'm ginormous.
Leo's asking, I'm in VWAP continuation short on MES, a lot of range. Stop at 74.91. Reasonable stop. Where does 91 put us?
91's back in the
day?
range. No, 91's back in the range.
Back inside the range.
Yep.
I don't hate it. Yeah. I'm still looking at a short potential on NQ.
What do you say?
I don't hate it, but I think 80 should be kind of like where you really start thinking, you know, you break this overnight, you break this opening range low. Like 80 to 91's another 11 points. I don't know how much size you got on.
Trader Map Light has only orders above Randy.
Yeah, I got orders came on at 87 now, 92. There's orders at obviously at 7,500. But we've had a building CVD. We've had some negative sell ice come in, which is getting filled. Like I said, you almost see a little bit of that divergence. A building CVD with sell iceberg coming in, sell ice.
What does that mean?
That means that the buyers are the buyers are overwhelming the sellers, even that the sellers are trying to put pressure on.
Got it. When you speak like that, it makes more sense to me still.
Sorry, you got to always correct me because I just speak jarble and my, you know me, man, and my brain is like, it makes sense in there, but don't make sense to nobody else.
You're speaking that book map talk. So where are you getting out of your long?
Double break. Get the song queued up.
Oh, yeah? You think this one double breaks? That would be a crazy one, bro. If this goes all the way to the highs, double break, that would be insane. Now,
if NQ takes its New York VWAP with any strength, this
Yeah.
thing's going to double break. It's NQ's trading at its New York VWAP right now.
got it.
And then it's got still room to its overnight. So it's like I could play that move inside. That would be the double break on ES.
For sure.
But again, I'm only in one micro. So
Colby's with you. Good. All right, good. Anybody red today? Like any red trades we need to look at before we wrap stream and head into the weekend?
I'm out of my long on MES. Eva's been trading well. Good job. What was IB low? Oh, basically start a week VWAP.
Yeah. I'm watching this with you, Randy. I want to see how it reacts to these contracts right here on this opening range low, overnight VWAP.
495.
Yeah. Now they're gone.
And then the CVD popped. So like it's not like the seller suppressed the buyers.
It's not like this seller.
So even though so this is the other thing I'm starting to notice. Oh, you got mine up here. So see how we got 600 orders got absorbed, but you also had a sweep to the buy 526.
Okay.
So when I see this, is this a good sign now telling me instead of the buyers just being absorbed, they moved through it really fast and still got absorbed? I don't know. Does that make sense?
No, but I'm not sure.
So what I'm saying is when you see a normal absorption like this, see how price pulled back at 480 here?
Yeah.
When these 604 got absorbed, a buyer swept through 526 orders aggressively.
Okay.
So when I see that in line with an absorption, does that kind of make the absorption a wash?
I don't know. Maybe.
So I'm speaking out loud. I have no idea.
Yeah, I don't know.
I'm just watching it and look at prices wanting to push higher, where here you had a bit of a pullback after that absorption.
Correct.
Am I just fucking talking too much? You can tell me.
No. I'm trying to understand and trying to reason with it.
I'm just speaking out loud what I'm seeing. I'm learning this. So
It would surprise me if this goes to opening range high. I mean, market can always surprise you, but that would be a crazy hit 10, 15, stop, and then just full reversal. How often do we get that? What do you see
if
in
it's
there?
ever going to happen, it was going to happen on a Friday.
What do you see in now? Because now I don't have anything big on.
Yeah, so they took orders off that were on at 87. They lightened up.
Okay.
And they haven't moved them anywhere, really. I can't tell.
Okay.
I mean, even if this does go to open range high, it's impressive. That's just straight lined down and then straight up.
Yeah.
I'm looking.
Final
see if
call
NQ
for
gets
questions,
to
everybody.
up.
Final call for questions for Randy, for myself, for Evan, anything you guys need. We'll be back on Monday. We did our TOF giveaways today. That sale is going to keep, I think it will keep running into next week too. So What's that there, Randy? 76.
Those are stops. So those are stops being triggered.
What is that alert called?
That's a stop alert. So that's icebergs and stops.
Okay.
So those are stops, obviously, on the sell side. So those are sellers that had their stops there that were short. And where would you put your stop if you're in the trade? Above the overnight VWAP, probably? I don't know.
I'm going to try a short on NQ. See if this holds. I'm going to look at ES and its VWAP as this moves
Yeah,
forward.
see, like NQ come off its New York.
I just don't know if we go back towards the highs. I see the 15 minutes like bullish structure overnight, but just the way that opened, are we going to have the strength to get all the way back up there?
I'm out of my trade, guys. I closed it.
Nice.
Nice.
Okay.
Yeah, that's clean. VWAP to VWAP. If it moves
Chase,
higher,
I put a
great.
comment. I put a comment for you in the Discord too, Chase. John Marco, just hang out with us, bro, and you'll see how we read it. Randy's working on how he sees it. I'm working on how I see it. But don't dive too deep into it. Like, we are here. We're going to walk you through it. So just, yeah, keep that in mind.
If you're interested in it, just get it up on your chart. Watch how we use it and trade it. You know, we'll cut your learning curve and quite a bit because Austin and I have been trading with it now for quite some time, and we're just getting into some of this new stuff that you see on our screens. So definitely, if you're interested in it, I think it's overwhelming, but once you understand it and have it up and you're looking at it on your own monitor, you're going to start to like soak in what we're talking about way faster.
Yeah.
Austin's just a little slow when I'm talking. That's all it is.
That's all. Yeah. Randy, good trades. I had a good trade pre-market. I had a good exit. Randy, this is a great trade for you. I'm going to work this short position, but I'm going to end the day green today. So we will be back, everybody, on Monday for a full
put my
week of
notes on this
streams.
real quick. Just short
nice,
off
good.
to New York as it consolidates, and then stop loss. Could even maybe bring that down, but have it above both VWAPs back inside the range. Just trying to look to get anything towards this low of day. I'm probably not going to hold it for a breakout. Just anything back in here.
As back on Monday's playing too.
Bump it up.
Alarm
There you
set
go.
early, playing rolled out, clean rested.
One dog chasing the candles.
You know what I mean?
Say again, Randy.
I heard the one this morning on stream, like a dog chasing the red candle or something.
Yeah.
I didn't
good.
hear that.
It's one of these country ones.
Okay. Awesome. Great stuff, everybody. Great week. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for being here. Have a great weekend. We will see you guys on Monday.